All right, let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. All right, so we are experiencing some dips. We've been experiencing dips the past month and a half. You guys already know this, so let's get into it. I'm going to be going over a lot of your guys' coins, going to be really showing which ones are showing more strength than others. But first of all, we got to look at Bitcoin in the short term. You really need to make sure to look at Bitcoin. We already know this. So Bitcoin has reached this little dip part right here. Let me go on to the 15-minute to show you guys some better trends, 5-minute actually. Well, we keep on making lower lows. We haven't made a higher high in God knows how long. So until we make a higher high, things aren't looking too well. But you guys are going to need to wait for tomorrow. You're going to wait for Monday to really show some strong trends. I promise you tomorrow we will either have an extremely bullish day or extremely bearish day. The EMA is showing some bullishness, but guys, you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Not everything is right 100%, especially during a bear market. During a bear market, the past 2 months that we've had, actually only a month and 9 days to be exact, these trends don't last very long, very short term. So you guys, if you want to be making the most consistent money, need to be focusing on short term. Short term will make you more money than long term in a bear market, right? All right, so now that we got some more coffee in us, going to be really helping you guys out with your coins, with your portfolios. I'm going to be going through everything that we're seeing right now, especially with Bitcoin, guys, especially with Bitcoin. Like I said, we are finally breaking off of this, what was this, 31,100 level. I know that was the bottom. So we do have some support around 31, guys, around 31. But we need to retest this. Probably going to break through if we don't push over this 34. In my opinion, probably going to retest 31 today if we can't push out through this 34. But we will need to see and wait to really see that, to see if I'm exactly as predicted on that. But let me get into you guys. Let me get into your guys' questions. He is saying to take profits often, guys. Yes, I am saying to take profits often, and it's for a reason, okay? It's for a exact goddamn reason. I've been repeating that. You guys really need to be getting into taking profits if you guys haven't already. Make sure to have as many stop losses as you can as well. Basically on every trade that you make, anything you own, you should have a stop loss. I do see some sort of bullish pattern emerging from Bitcoin short term, but guys, with these alts down this much, okay, let's go into the Bitcoin dominance. I got to show you guys something very important with the Bitcoin dominance. We have the Bitcoin dominance pushing an extremely high level. This is something that we haven't seen in quite some time, guys. When we have these dips, when we have these transfers of altcoins going, or altcoin sell-offs and Bitcoin sell-offs, altcoins will always sell off harder than Bitcoin. Altcoins will always rise up faster than Bitcoin. Look what we saw, guys. Look what we saw. We saw barely touch this 30 level. With this Bitcoin dominance, right? This is on the 3 minutes. Let me go on the 1 day. All right, so we barely touched this 30 level, right? We barely touched this 30 level, and look what we have had happen since. Up almost 20% in around 4 days on the Bitcoin dominance chart. 20% in 4 days. We haven't had a movement that strong ever, guys, ever. So really take into consideration how violent this move up towards up was with Bitcoin. Most likely when we see these violent breakouts or breakdowns with Bitcoin dominance, we always see some sort of breakdown or breakout the opposite direction of what happens. So these alts are going to be probably taking some of the Bitcoin dominance that we've seen. But guys, look how large this breakout was, right? We haven't seen this in years, guys. In years we haven't seen this. So that was a very, very important key note to think of. Oh, what do I do with this keynote? What do I do with this keynote? We're probably going to see some more money going into alts, right? That's what it means. More money is going to go into alts. We might see that happening within the next day or two, and then we're probably going to have some more breakouts because we kind of switched this trend, guys. I do see this being the trend point for what happens in a bear market. During a bear market, what we normally see, right? What we normally see is an uptrend with alts, right? Or an uptrend with Bitcoin dominance. In a bull market, what do we see? We see this right here. Let's go back, right? December, January, what did we see? All-time highs because we were coming out of this bear market. And then, boom, we shot back down. What do I see happening? I see an uptrend with Bitcoin dominance, right? We finally had that breakout level. When have we had a breakout with Bitcoin dominance? Not in the past goddamn 4 months, right? So use your brains and look at this and tell me that this does not look like we're just entering a bear market, right? I still see this trend continuing upwards. There's going to be some transfers of wealth between these altcoins when Bitcoin goes down or when Bitcoin goes up, but it's not going to be something that's going to totally reverse us out of the trends. I see this violent candle that we saw in the past 4 days really signifying that trend. Yes, I did say Bitcoin's probably going to be bullish short term, guys. There's a lot of reason to believe that. Go look at the EMA video if you guys missed that. My last video talked about the bullish short term opportunities for Bitcoin. Make sure to really look at that. You guys can do technical analysis. I had someone that was only 2 weeks fresh on the TA, showed me something that was very good. Figured I'd bring him on. So you guys got to go check that video out. Very inspiring. If any of you guys are just getting into technical analysis and feel like it's super hard, it's not. You guys can do it. But guys, right? Past 4 months, haven't seen any sort of volatility, any sort of upwards volatility. Now we're finally seeing it. Let's go back to 2017 and show you guys what I see there as well. See if I could do this. All right. And that's not the best thing to show, but yeah, we did see that volatility in 2017. We did see this upwards breakout, and then we saw a little breakdown. This could be happening as well, but it's too close to tell. I could see us going all the way down from 39 like we saw right here. We went all the way up to around 50, had a little breakdown. Alts got pumped up a little bit. Bitcoin went up in percent, but alts got pumped up. Then we had that other upturn. Could have that happen, right? I think there's going to be a little pump with Bitcoin, but at the end of the day, I think we're going to have this little thing repeat itself where we have a Bitcoin's dominance go down a little bit, and then this money gets moved into these alts. Last time to get out before the Bitcoin wreck train comes around, and we really enter in something worse than we already in. I feel bad for any of you guys if you're down a lot, but just remember this. This is your time to learn. This is your time to study. This is your time to really get into the market and understand where things are going. What do I mean by that, guys? I have so many books and so much information that you guys can read. You will really benefit throughout a bear market and bull markets 10 times more than you have this market. So, yeah, Bitcoin is looking a little bit bearish on the charts, but we did see that flip happen a little bit with the EMA levels. But hopefully that can pan out. I'm going to be going over a bunch of different altcoins and really comparing them to exactly how they should be performing. And we're gonna get into that. So real bloody day right now. We don't have much up right now. SRK is down 36% today. We have HDR down 34%. Let's go check out HDR real quick. Absolutely hammered past this dip level right here where we had this past dip on HDR. So let's go check this out. These are some good buying levels I had put down on this dip. Maybe we'll see a little slight recovery with HDR on these levels. But I would be very careful with buying things. Always set a stop loss. Always be prepared. But I do see 1.17 and 30 cents are great levels to buy some HDR. Last time off of this dip, we saw around 140, 130%. But very good. So have to be looking out for that. Not bullish on Ethereum chain, guys, but things keep going downwards for these types of alts. Don't be invested into shit coins without a stop loss in, guys. Don't be invested into shit coins. Yes, these coins could bounce back, guys, but just a reminder of what really happens during some sort of bear market, right? These coins stop going up, and we see these coins go all the way down here to around 97% down, right? 98% Ethereum chains down. Actually, let me get the top of that. That's wrong. All right, I can't. Hold up. There we go. To the bottom, yeah, around 96, 97% earns down. This could happen to your coins. Make sure you're invested into good coins. Make sure you have stop losses. Don't end up like this. We see a lot of these coins go down significant amounts in the bear market. We've already seen a lot of them do that already. That's why you guys have to take profits. You guys have to really be careful with your money, right? You guys have to be careful with your money. VRA. VRA right now, what is it at? How much are we down? We're around 83% down. We're seeing a lot of buying levels, guys, that we haven't seen for the past 3 months, right? We haven't seen these levels for the past 3 months. I'd wait to pick up some VRA around this level, around the 0.02 to the 0.034. Let me get rid of this. All right. Let me make this a little smaller for you guys. Right, whatever. So, yeah, still see VRA going down a lot more just because these small caps will suffer during a market like this. I see around a 90% VRA, a very good thing to buy. I know I was telling you guys to buy this earlier, but you know what? I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm very truthful on this channel. When we enter a bear market, we see things go down a lot more than expected. This is what happens to these alts, maybe even a little bit farther down. We'll pull up some more of those charts in a second, but it did not respond too well to the second dip. Here's another one, guys. This is just an example, right? Look what happened to this on the second dip, right? Bitcoin wasn't even at a lower price. People just don't have faith in these alts, so they sell off more. XVS, what is this down? More than the second dip? Yep. Another one with very, very few investors wanting to stay. Here's Bake, guys. Bake's at an even lower level than that flash crash that we saw there. We see Bake almost at levels in April. This one ran up very quick, guys. Be careful with Bake, re-entering Bake. It could have a nice run up, but it's too early to say, too early to tell me or to tell you guys to get into something like this. I do expect a few bullish days, though, ahead of us. We'll have to see this next week. The EMA is really showing some bullishness in the next week with Bitcoin, all right? So you don't want to go against the EMA. You don't want to go against the EMA. But after that bullish week, guys, that's going to be a great opportunity to get out of your holds, right? This thing can go lower than this. It can go a lot lower than what you guys anticipate. Just letting you guys know that. Down 76% on INJ. As you guys see, this didn't respond a lot that good to the second dip. What do we see? How much lower did this go? Around 27% more from the bottom. And if you guys look at the Bitcoin price, right? We're at 33K now, right? We had this little hammer candle right here. We might see a breakout upwards. That'd be very nice to see a breakout upwards. We really would need one today to set the tone for tomorrow and really get some more profits, get some more portfolios up. But yes. Yes, that is looking good for Bitcoin. Quant has a great use case in blockchain protocol. I do see them being somewhat big in the future, but guys, these coins that are down this much, wait till they're down a little bit lower, most of them, and you're going to be sitting on a really good coin to be accumulating through the bear market. Guys, when this other bull market really hits hard, I believe it's going to come faster. Why do I believe that? Because this push downwards has been so fast, guys. We haven't had this kickoff to a bear market ever. Okay, this has been the fastest kickoff downwards. This has been the fastest anyone's been pushed off a cliff in crypto in quite a while, right? We haven't had that happen this fast really ever. So I think it's going to start back up. I think the bull cycle is going to start back up faster. I'm not trying to share any hopium. I'm just trying to let you guys know the market is different and that trend was different. So maybe we'll see one faster. Maybe it might take longer, though, but I really do believe it'll be faster than a year or so away. Maybe we'll see another bull cycle reemerge in the next 6 to 12 months. But great times to be accumulating, guys. Great times to be accumulating. We had Quant all the way down here at $22. Let's see how much this is down from all-time highs. We'll take this all-time high just because the other one was down a lot more. It's only down 65%, guys. Performed very, very well. Performed very, very well. These strong alts, yeah, 65% is down a lot, but that's pretty well compared to these other altcoins, right? Let's go look at Trias, guys. This is the coin that we were shilling on this channel. We shilled it. Bought it at $1. A lot of you guys made some nice profits on it, but look at this. 87% in 23 days. These small caps are in 15 days. These small caps get wrecked during these dips. You guys have to understand, if you own any small caps and you don't have stop loss or you don't have some sort of exit strategy, you're looking at a lot of losses during this time period. It's just how the market works. No one expected for this violence of a dip. No one could predict this violent of a dip, right? Everyone that said the market was going to dip, they did not have it in this close of a time frame. It was always in a 2 or 3 month time frame after this, right? I thought this bull market was going to be a little bit longer too, but you want to know what? Shit happens. You learn from it, and you get better, and you grow stronger from it. Now you guys will be prepared if we have more of a violent downturn. Oh, TLM. Oh, TLM. What are you doing? All right, you guys could be down. You guys could be down 98%. You guys could be down 98%. If you guys are not down 98%, you're doing better than some people. I'm telling you that right now. You guys have some better form of currency than some people. Let's just be honest with that. Trying to make you guys feel a little bit better if you're not down or you are. 82% on Luna. That's a very good not trend, but it's a very good price to see Luna with the price that Bitcoin has been at. When we saw Bitcoin here in February and January at the same prices, Luna was at the same prices, guys. These coins, that are outperforming their price when Bitcoin was at whatever price it was in January or February, they're going to keep on dropping hotter and hotter, in my opinion, than those other ones that are holding their position, holding their ground. So let me go into Manic first of all. I know a lot of you guys are wanting me to go over Manic, so we'll do that one. We'll skip that one ahead of the line. So we see Manic down a significant amount. It's just hanging on. We did see, what was this, around the 70-cent Manic? Yeah, 75-cent Manic, down 72%, guys. 72% in how many days? 5 days, right? When you guys see this violent uprun, when you see something violently going up like Manic did, it's a mountain, guys. How steep is that other side of the mountain going to be? You don't know, but that's why you wear your safety gear. That's why you wear your safety harness, aka your stop loss. You climb up a mountain, right? You better have your safety shit together, or else you're gonna fall down and take these losses along with you. Stop loss, guys. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss. Even when you're shorting too, if you're climbing down a mountain, right, and you want to get to the bottom of the mountain, you still want to wear your safety harness, right? At the end of the day, guys, these alts, right? This was bound to happen when you have violent run-ups. Every single time we've saw in crypto, it goes back down. I didn't get it right. I didn't get it exactly right. I didn't get it right. So I can't say that I warned you guys completely, but I have been telling stop loss. I have been screaming at you guys on that part, and I really want you guys to learn and be educated. All right, I do. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to be educated. I want you guys to be ready for the next runs. You guys will make more money than you lost. I can promise you that. I promise you guys that. So from all-time highs, we have around the 72%. I do see this around, guys, Matic really could go to around 41 cents to 25 cents. Those are two key support levels for this EMA that we have. So around 25 cents, just throwing that out there. We could drop a lot further, but if we do have this Bitcoin run up, I see this buying level around, or the selling level around 9.5 and maybe $1. If we have this push with Bitcoin, maybe it'll go to 110. But secure your profits and be ready for that. I can promise you guys, taking your profits, setting stop losses is the best advice you will get. For any of you guys that don't do that, this is the best advice you will get. Stop losses, taking profits, right? Or else you're down lots. It's okay if you're down, guys. It's okay. Use it as a learning experience. Don't be mad at yourself. Be happy that you learned, all right? You will make your money back. It's just a learning experience at the end of the day. So we see Woo trade, guys. Look at this mountain, right? Look at this mountain that Woo pulled off right here. I know everything looks like a mountain, but guys, these things that went violently up in April, right? April, beginning of May, and the few months of the year, they still haven't reached where they were beforehand. Yeah, they might have been a little bit overvalued or undervalued then, but you guys have to understand, things will go up a lot, or they will go down a lot faster than how they went up, right? That's how that works to some degree. So down 78% in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 days. What are we looking for with Woo? Woo does have a use case, but at the same time, guys, we are only just testing the levels that we had on this first dip, this first flash crash, or the one on May 17th. So be careful with FOMOing into this one. I'd really wait, guys, to get a significant amount of uptrends, and maybe be shorting the markets around then. You can't always be too bullish and optimistic. I'll be honest with you guys. I short more than I long. I always short the markets at these bearish patterns, and you guys have to be able to make money not only with buying, or you guys have to be able to make money with shorting as well. There's 2 ways to make money, really, or 4 or 5 different ways, but you guys could long something or you could short something, right? Not a lot of you guys know about shorting. There's a book in the first video that I posted today. I posted another video today. Read that. Go click on that video and go read those books. Multiple ways to make money. I'm not going to teach you guys exactly how to short and long, but I want you guys to know that the resources are out there for you guys to learn it and how to get better and skilled. I can tell you guys when to do it, but at the same time, a lot of you guys are just going to follow me and then do your own dumb thing on the side, right? You guys have to be able to do something educated on the side, nothing dumb, okay? If you guys want to make money, you have to read, you have to become knowledgeable, you have to become educated. If you guys want to be consistent in crypto. And at the end of the day, it's on you. It's not on me. I gave you guys the resources. It's on you. So really make sure to look into that. BNB, guys. Let's go look into Binance Coin real quick. I will be going into more of your coins. Give me a second. what did you say? What crypto platform do you use to trade FTX, BNB, BitMax, Bitmarket, a few other ones as well. I have used, what else? No, I'll just say those ones are the best ones. Binance is alright. I'm not the biggest fan of Binance, though. They can never spell it. Alright. So we're at the same price that we were in February for Binance. It's pretty healthy to see, right? We're at February Bitcoin prices. Why aren't we at February altcoin prices? That's how the market should work, and it hasn't been working that way. That's why we saw when this market was slowly bleeding, these altcoins went to the shitter, right? We saw these altcoins go down. Let me go to that chart one more time. I know you guys remember it. We saw a massive spike in these alts, right? We saw a massive spike in this Bitcoin dominance, which is leading me to be. We haven't seen a spike that much in Bitcoin dominance. That we might have a little retracement down, but we're going to continue in that trend with Bitcoin dominance going up because bear market is probably going to continue. That's what the trends are showing, right? I'm telling you guys what the trends are showing. You guys could look for yourself, form your own opinion, but I am looking at multiple trends to confirm my opinion. Just an opinion, okay? So don't get hurt about my opinion. Just maybe look for yourself, look into these trends, and form your own opinion. But my opinion, we saw a large uptrend with Bitcoin dominance. Haven't seen an uptrend in Bitcoin dominance like we have since last bull market or since last bear market, right? Indicator that we're in a bear market is an uptrend in Bitcoin dominance like we saw. So we're normally going to see a retracement after that large of a Bitcoin dominance pump. So after that, I'm going to be exiting all of my longs probably and just shorting once we hit that level of, where were we? Around this level of around 44 to 41 is where I think this will bounce down to. All right, so let's go into Ethereum. Guys, Ethereum is under, I believe, under $2,000, around the 1,300, or not 1,300, 1,750. I believe it was earlier today. What is it at now? Yeah, 1,728 earlier today. Just pumped up around, how much percent is that? Let's go see. Around 12% it just pumped up. We see a lot of people shorting Ethereum. Ethereum is probably is shorted more percent-wise than Bitcoin is for sure. People love to short Ethereum. But down 60% in the past 11 days. Everything's kind of following the same trend. If you guys are down, so are a bunch of other people, but they don't have these free resources like these books that I always talk about in order to learn. They don't know anything else, guys. That's the difference, right? I will give you guys resources to be successful, but at the end of the day, it's on you. It's on you. But yes, 1,900 Ethereum, right? How much has this been outperforming Bitcoin? So let's go check. It went up. Let's get an exact measurement on this. Right, we will go into your alts, guys. We will go into your alts. Just let's get into this important shit. So up 12% with Ethereum. So then let's go into Bitcoin. BitConnect. All right, 12%. Oops. Let me see with Bitcoin. Around 6%. So we saw Ethereum 2x what Bitcoin was doing. 2x. A lot of shorting on Ethereum. That's how you guys can tell. Normally Ethereum is 1.8. That's 2.0x whatever Bitcoin's doing. So something very important you understand. A lot of people leverage trading Ethereum, shorting them, probably canceling on their shorts, probably putting in longs. All right. If you want to know what books, click on my past video or the first video I posted today. Description, all the books. It's not going to go down every day, guys. It's not going to go down every day. You're always going to have some days where you have some run-ups, okay? But the trend is showing that it's going to go down. If you guys really look at the Bitcoin dominance, you can see what I'm talking about. So we haven't had a violent push with the Bitcoin dominance like we have right here, right? This is the whole entire bull market, right? Bull markets, Bitcoin dominance is higher. Or bear markets, Bitcoin dominance is higher. You guys see this Bitcoin dominance staying above around 56. That means that we are in a bull market or bear market, right? So when we ended this bull market down here, right? This was the bull, this is the bear. It's basically flipped this graph upside down, and that's what you see. So Bitcoin dominance was lower, right? We had this big push upwards, and then we had this retracement, meaning money was going back into altcoins on the retracement. Money was going into Bitcoin, coming out of altcoins on the push up, right? So I do see this repeating itself. Probably not as violent. Let's see, this was like a 40%, right? It was around the same percentage. Let's get a better estimate on that. Boom, boom, boom. What do we see here? All right, so around a 20 to 30% run up on this level right here, guys. But you guys gotta understand how violent this was. This is like a 6. Here, let's go to here. Yeah, it's around a 20% turn on dominance within the past 4 days. We saw a 30%, and this was over how much of a period of time was this over? You guys gotta understand how crazy this market was. Around like 30 days, a month, and we were seeing this in 4 days. Wow. Let that put that into perspective, guys. That's just insane to see this sort of volatility in this market. No one could expect this, okay, guys. No one could expect this pullback as fast as it happened, or this breakdown as fast as it happened. It just throws a whole monkey wrench into the TA with this happening this fast. Just saying. But I do see this trend somewhat continuing, right? When we're gonna have a retracement back into these altcoins, probably have our last goodbye to these altcoin pumps. Probably have one more altcoin pump, but then be careful, guys. Be careful. That's called a bull trap. This is a bull trap right here, right? People think things are getting getting bullish down here, right? Because their altcoins are pumping, and then boom, this is when you guys sell and get out when we have that final retracement, and then things go into Bitcoin more because the market's really down far. And then we have this whole lot of 890 days of nothing, really. Yes, there were some good markets in here, but not as good as this bull market, right? This is going to be a faster bear to bull market, in my opinion, just because of the trends that we see, how fast everything is going, and how fast things go up, they go down, but they're probably going to go up fast again if they went fast down and up again, right? So that's my guess, but a lot of time to study, a lot of time to learn, but very, very important studying this Bitcoin dominance, guys. Very, very important. Like I said, guys, 72 all the way down to around 30, 39. And that's something that's very important, very important. You will see this in every single bull market, the same sort of trends. Market doesn't lie, guys, and TA doesn't lie. Game over, boys. It's not game over, okay? It's not game over. You guys got to understand, the game just started. The level of the game, you guys went from beginner, right? Any goddamn person on this planet can make money in a bull market. You could invest your money into 10 different alts blindfolded, and if you did that in January or February, you would have been up at probably 3 or 4x. And the real money, the real smart money, the real educated money is made during the bear market. But then you have this accumulation phase where you make the most money because you weren't blindfolded, right? You're making more than these idiots in the bull market that make money, right? You guys are going to be able to make money in this accumulation phase, right? What's this accumulation phase that you're talking about, expert crypto? Well, let me tell you about this accumulation phase, right? Let's go into. I'll show you guys it for 8. Let's go to Cardano on Stamp. Where's Stamp at? They have it on Stamp. Oops. Yes, but you make more money in I have it on Bittrex. I'll just go on and untether. But yes, you make more money during this accumulation phase. What's the accumulation phase? Right here, fellas. Right here, fellas, right? We see this accumulation after this run up, right? After this run up, what? You see 60, 70, 80. Around 80 to 90% down, ADA went, right? That's not even from the top. It was around 94 to 95%. This is when you guys buy, when it's accumulating, when things are not as volatile, when you don't see this goddamn fucking mountain form, right? When you guys don't look up at the graphs and you see goddamn Mount Everest above your head, or you're at the top of Mount Everest, right? You guys buy when you had that mountain up, and then you're in this consolidation phase, right? That will be coming. All right, if you guys want a diamond hand, you diamond hand there. But want to know what we do on this channel? We try and find the trends every single day. We try and find the volatility. We try and find where things are trending for short term, because you're not going to be able to. You're not going to be able to really gauge a perspective long term. But what you can do is you could look at making profits on what's happening short term instead of long term. But when you get into that consolidation phase, you know that long term is going to be profitable. I can tell you that every single consolidation phase that we've had, people have been very, very successful long term. Yeah, it's just begun. The game has just begun. Are you leaving? Because want to know what? You're going to miss out on a lot of gains. Are you learning? No, you're not. Okay, well, it looks like you're going to be one of those people that buys back on top of the mountain again. All right? I feel sorry for you, okay? I do, and I hope that you really take something away. I have free books, literally a whole month's worth of you working hard and reading all these books, watching all these lessons. You will be successful. I can promise you that. Your IQ in trading for crypto will go from a monkey level to a very, very advanced monkey level, okay? And then when you practice a little bit more, 2 or 3 more months, of that, you will be very, very good at what you're doing, and you will be able to learn. Look at past trends. I'm sorry for calling you a monkey level brain. It's okay. Just a smaller brain, right? We used to say that joke a lot in this channel, but I can't anymore. It's not racist, guys. I promise it's not racist. I'm not referring. I'm just referring to an actual like monkey. Okay? Don't be like that. I'm not on crack, guys. I am though. I'm just trying to make some of your guys' hopes feel a little bit better, right? Luna, bro, you skipped over it. All right, so let's go look at Luna, guys. Look what Luna has been doing. A lot of these altcoins, guys, during that rundown, by the way, you've seen altcoins go down 90, 95%. This might not be as bad that we're in, but I'm not going to see that until it's actually happening. But you just pay attention to things can go down 90, 80, 70%. These altcoins do have the chance of doing that, and they do have the chance though of going up 600, 100x, 200x, 50x, 40x, 10x, 12x, whatever you want to say, whatever x you want to say. It's happened within 6 to 12 months. It's happened, right? I've had a 500x, guys, in literally 6 months. Literally 6 months. I've had over 5 or 6 200 to 100x's that I've held. You guys got to think, okay, wow, this guy's bragging. No, I'm not. I'm showing you guys what could be your future if you stay and you learn. All right. I know that I've been here a lot longer than just 1 year, but if you guys are coming during a bear market, you guys are going to be able to gauge a perspective about how successful you can be if you stay and you learn, right? I've had multiple 100x's through this bull run. All right, I'm not greedy. I'm not a dick. I'm just showing you guys that you can do it if you stay here. If you guys buy during that accumulation phase, you buy with good fundamentals, you guys will make it. Let those other people leave, okay? Let them leave and then let them buy back on top of you, right? Let those people watch BitBoy, guys. Let them lose their money, save up some more money for around 6 months to a year, and then buy back on top of us, right? That's the plan. So, Luna down 82%, right? Luna down 82%. Guys, like I said, what were the levels in February and January? It's looking decent. This is how most things should look, because they should be bouncing off the price of Bitcoin, right? What's the price of Bitcoin? That should be the price of your alts. If it's not, then there's a little bit of an issue, a little bit of a problem going on, and you got to get to the bottom of it. It's either some sort of news has come out, some sort of use case that the coin didn't have back then came out, or it's overbought, or if it's oversold, right? Something could either be overbought or oversold. Is it too hyped up, or is it too sold off? That's how you really determine that. You can determine it by the price of Bitcoin, right? So Luna is looking at the same levels that we saw in February, kind of in January, maybe a little bit overbought, but everything's looking a little bit overbought. That's why when you stab an altcoin 140 times, it's going to slowly bleed out. But when we have these Bitcoin spikes down, you're only going to be stabbing it once, and then it's just going to be able to recover more. When you have a slowly bleeding out coin, it's just stabbing it over and over and over a like long period of time. That's why you see these altcoins pushing so far down. It's just these overhyped ones aren't. I see Luna being very, very oversold, guys. Very, very oversold. But yet we're still heading in a trend downwards. So we're probably going to see even lower Luna at some point. My guess probably around this $2 level would probably be another trend where I'm going to see Luna at. I know it sucks, guys. It fucking sucks. But you want to know what? Use it as motivation, right? Use it as motivation to really get into crypto. Because I'm telling you guys right now, you will love it. You will love your life after 5 years. Maybe you'll hate your life learning crypto. But you want to know what? You'll love it after. I love learning about crypto, guys. I love doing this. You guys are like, oh, you're up so much money. That's why you love it. No, guys. I love it for multiple different reasons. It's a lot of fun to me to learn about this, and I know it sucks right now, guys. I know it sucks, but there's ways that if you guys put your mind to it, if you guys want to learn, if you guys cut out the Netflix, you guys cut out the goddamn TV, you guys stop watching this politics on TV and like whatever you guys do, okay? I'm not saying you need to dedicate your life to crypto, but just a few hours a day, guys, and you will be successful in the long term, right? Just don't put your 2 hours into something that's not good for crypto. I mean, like you're just buying a bunch of stuff without looking at it. Just study the analytics, study the data, study what's in that video. My first video I posted today, go check it out. Go in the description. Don't even watch the video. Go in the description. Boom, watch. Go in the description. Copy that. Whatever. right? What do you think about Cody, mate? So let's see if this is overbought or oversold, right? How much was this when the price of Bitcoin was down here, right? So February, all right? So we'll do this a little bit easier for you guys. Sorry about the stuttering and the cracked outness, guys. A little bit of coffee. I'm not normally where I am right now. I'm actually in a different country, so if the internet's bad, it's not my fault, guys. Not my fault. So I am a little stuttery. Got some really heavily caffeinated espresso. I normally don't drink that much espresso. I do though, but this is like some cracked out shit, man. All right. Bitcoin. All right, so let's get the price of Bitcoin versus Cody, right? So where were we at here? We're around a 46K Bitcoin, right? We were around let's go to the 32 Bitcoin, right? So January, we said we had around the 32K Bitcoin when Cody was 0.1141. Cody had some news. Cody had a lot of things that has come up from it. Do you see this valued? Do you see Cody valued, right? Where was it? Around 111. Do you see? This is the question I'm going to ask you, man. Do you see Cody? Or I already have it marked down actually because I remember that. Do you see Cody valued at this 0.11 area, or do you not? From all the news that's come out, do you feel like it's 2x above where it should be, or do you feel like if we see a drop in Bitcoin, it's going to continue to drop, right? How fast has this been dropping? That's something you guys have to ask yourself. I'm sorry if that doesn't make sense to some of you guys. I'm just trying to get you guys to ask yourselves the right questions instead of having to ask me, because at the end of the day, guys, I want you to be successful on your own. I don't want you guys to have to ask me questions. I don't feel. It's not that it hurts me to answer them, but at the end of the day, I want you guys to be able to answer your own questions. I want you guys to be able to form your own opinion instead of using mine. Maybe have a contradictory opinion and not just take everything I freaking say like every other YouTuber, right? But yes, I do see it's kind of valued where it is right now, but we're probably going to see a drop to this 11 mark, maybe to this 6.5 level. But it could even go lower than that, but I do see this as a great buying opportunity around this 0.07 level. You guys think I'm crazy? You're like, oh, no way it's going this low, man. No way. Guys, it can. I'm giving you guys multiple buying spots. You guys could buy at whatever price you want, but I'm going to be waiting for things to get really low. I'm going to be waiting for things to go back to their prices where it was when Bitcoin was at 30K, right? These things are still overvalued compared to the price of Bitcoin and where they were back in the day, right? ICP will take over everything. There's a good possibility, but just wait for people to really understand about ICP. They will perform next bull market. I can guarantee. All right, Solana. Where was this at in January and February? Check these lines right here. Just saying that Bitcoin was around the same price. I know Solana has been coming out with all this stuff. They will be bigger, but we still could have around a 48% dip from where it currently is right now. Just letting you guys know this. This is why it's so important to take profits, to have a stop loss, because I'm just letting you know there's a possibility that this will go to this 48% down level. There is a possibility, guys, at the end of the day. But you want to know what you do? You look at the short-term trends, and we look at what Bitcoin's doing, and we do our trades off of that to maximize our gains and to be exactly as predicted most of the time, right? And if you're not exactly, you're only losing a certain percentage of what you are trading, and that's what's going to save you during these dips, during this time. Let's see Bitcoin. If we hold a resistance level around this 33 to 34K level, it's looking like we're going to have another downwards dip, right? We need to break out of this 34K. That's the main issue right now. I live in Gainesville, for a reason. I make gains. I make gains because I listen to this guy often, right? If you guys actually do listen to me and you hear what I'm saying and you actually put in your own time, you guys will live in Gainesville. I can promise you that. VeChain, please. I have been waiting. Okay, we'll go over VeChain because you've been waiting very patiently and you didn't say, bro, pick this one. I'm just messing with you guys. But yes, we'll go over VeChain. I messed with you guys a little bit too much. I'm sorry. You guys got to have some comedy. It will help during these dips that we have. I can promise you guys that. Have a little bit of comedy on the situation, or have some more fun in your life than other just crying and getting very upset over crypto. I know it's hard, but it will help, guys. It will help. So VeChain right now, we were able to acquire some at this level around 0.053, and this was on the first crash, guys. Bitcoin has been slowly bleeding out. A lot of people have been buying into VeChain and holding it. So you guys have to understand this is still probably going to go to this lower level right here, which is around, let's find that, boom, which is around still a 30% drop. I definitely see that happening within the next month or so. We'll definitely see a 30% drop. But short term, guys, remember, short term trading during these bear markets, short term will make you money. Long term will punish you from gains. If you guys can't do this short term, I would suggest being very patient with your buying if you're going to be buying long term. Be very patient. When we're on these downtrends, when we are having these downtrends like this, they continue, guys. We have breakouts, but these trends continue. So, very, very, very appreciative of those of you guys that are listening and able to do this every day or every other day, whatever it might be. I appreciate you guys putting your time, and you will thank yourselves later on the road. I guarantee you this channel will survive during a bear market because I'm trying to prepare you guys to be the most profitable for this bear market. Everything that we've been going over has led up to this one moment, guys. This is where you guys become warriors. This is where you guys become true warriors, right? But let's go to VeChain back on January. We were around this 2.8 level. So around, let's see how much lower we could actually go. And yes, we could actually go to this level, guys. You think I'm kidding, you think I'm playing, but I'm not. All right, this could easily happen because this is what has happened in the past before. So really take that into consideration. These alts are a little bit overbought right now, considering the fact of Bitcoin. VeChain has come out with a lot of things, but like I said, I've gone into VeChain, and I really, really want you guys to understand next bull run, we're probably going to see an even higher VeChain. So if you guys wait to buy down here and we get a 31 cent, maybe a 50 cents or whatever VeChain, you guys are going to be up 1,500, 1,600%, right? We're going to be doing this with every altcoin just so it gives a little positive spin on of light on stuff. But yes, I do see even this level right here, this 5.3, if you guys are going to be holding long term, probably be a good buy, but I would wait for this 0.025 level to buy in. And I know I'm being Mr. Bullish Brown over here, whatever you guys want to call me. But guys, I'm telling you the truth. The truth hurts. A lot of you guys are in pain right now, but I'm telling you, denial will not get you guys far. Looking at the data, reading, learning on your own will get you far, okay? If you guys don't believe what I'm saying, please go read. Please look at the data on how these cycles work. It's not cycles, guys. It is cycles if you want to think about it, but every cycle is different. Don't think every cycle is the same. Like I said, we've never had a cycle that has took this deep of a dive so quickly, really. Or at least we didn't in 2017. So let's get into some more. Do you think Luna could reach $20 again in the bull run? Yes, Daniel. Let's go back into Luna. I'm sorry, any Luna holders. I do love Luna. I love their stable coins. Their stable coins increase Luna's market cap or their price value by 22% every 3 months. So think, if we're in this bull market for a year, right? If we're in this bull market for a year, Luna will at least go up 88% from its lows, right? Because it's increasing 22% every 3 months with the minting that they're doing. So let's go back into let's go look at January and February, right? So we have a Luna, guys, that's under $1, right? So it could reach this level. Maybe we'll put another one in there. But let's see how much gains you would get from a $20 Luna. I do see that possible. Right? So you guys could be up around 2,200%, right? Imagine you guys are down 90% on your portfolios. You just have 10% left. Just think, guys. You guys could really make back these gains that you've lost. Even if you're down 95%, you could still make back these gains. I promise you guys. By next bull run, you will. And then you want to know what? You're going to have the knowledge. You're going to have the smarts to make money when it falls down. I've been showing you guys. Haven't been really explaining it too easily. You guys have to be going into this by yourselves. I will start making videos to really coach and go through it step by step. But I can't do this when we have this much activity, this much stuff going on. I will do this in the future, though. I'm a very busy person, guys, and I am on vacation right now. Still will work 14, 15 hours a day on vacation, guys. All right, let's go into Harmony next. I know you guys are like, this guy is freaking crazy. Yeah, guys, I am. But you want to know what? I know my stuff when it comes to crypto. All right, I do. I really do, guys. And I'm trying to relate that onto you. Want to know why I know my stuff on crypto? Because I worked for it, and I made a lot of mistakes on the way. But I'm trying to help you guys avoid a lot of mistakes. So we're 74% down on from top to bottom on Harmony. And what do we see prices in January and February looking like? Right? So I do have a lot of faith in Harmony, guys. Why do I have a lot of faith in Harmony? Because they're fundamentals. All of these companies that I like, they will survive in a bear market. Great buys during a bear market, right? You guys, let's go from the bottom of this, right? Maybe even, no, we won't go that far, but all right, so let's go see. 2,700% from where they're at now. I bet in this next bull market that we're going to have probably around a 5,000% around there. But guys, you guys got to remember, this is 26, 27, 28x if it does hit this bottom. Even from, let's go down to, I do believe Harmony will drop a little bit lower than where it is during this, guys. It's probably going to happen. The analytics and the data, we follow the analytics and the data on this channel just to let you guys know, if you didn't know already. Following the analytics and the data is going to make you guys more profitable than these people who are investing on emotions, right? Emotionless channel, completely emotionless gains. Why do we get more gains? Because they are emotionless gains, right? Emotionless, right? So what do we see from this level right here? A lot of resistance right here. Probably will break through down to this level around 2-1. Go put a 2-1 down there. Gosh, dang it. There we go. Boom. All right, so still around 1,000%. I would say 1,000 to 500% from those levels. Still could be good dollar cost averaging, right? So you might be buying once here, right? You guys might be buying once here, and then saving some for here, right? If you guys are down 50, 60, 70%, the trend shows that we are dipping with a lot of these altcoins. We saw this volatility go up with Harmony in a short period amount of time. These are the coins that went up too fast, too quick. They're probably going to go down too fast and too quick because of that volatility upwards. They do have use case though, so just throwing that out there. But very important for you guys to understand that when things go down, when people quit, when people are like, oh, I'm done with crypto, I'm just going to buy back in at the tops next year. All right, see you later, guys. All right, this is when we stay, this is when you study, and this is when you let those people go cry and go away, and we make those gains because we're the people that are studying the fundamentals. I've been doing this every single bull run, every single bear market, every year, guys. You guys just need to get into it maybe 1 or 2 years, and then you could retire happily, whatever you guys want to say. All right, you guys can go sell all your ADA. You guys can sell all your ADA, right? And then you guys can go buy your Prius and grow a garden and live off of that forever, right? All right, so let's go over basic attention token. A lot of profits with basic attention token, in my opinion, because they have good fundamentals. You buy stuff with good fundamentals in the bear market, and you guys buy stuff with a lot of hype, and you trade that hype in the bull market. By the way, stuff with good fundamentals will survive. All right, so China screwed us. No, dude, this is a blessing in disguise if you're in a clear mindset to see it, right? If you're in a clear mindset to see it. So I know this is a different perspective for you guys. You're like, whoa, if Bitcoin drops that low, like you can go back and see what prices they were. Yes, guys, I'm telling you this right now. These coins are overbought, most of these, because of the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin keeps dropping further and further. We're going to see that continue, right? We're going to see that continue with these coins no matter what. So if we see them slowly get punctured with a knife and they get stabbed over and over, but over periods of times, they're going to drop down even further than when Bitcoin was, but we'll have to see. But yes, I see basic attention token having probably a bottom around this 20 cent level. And this is not going to be, we're probably not going to see a 5K, 10K Bitcoin. My guess is the 20s is going to be the bottom. Maybe we'll see the teens, but I can't see us going down into the 10K level. But you know what? Probably could still be some disbelief from my part, but I do have a lot of people that are saying that's, but too early to tell. We look by day, and I'm just telling you guys, I know this is a little bit long term. There's 500% from that level, and probably another, what is this? Yeah, another 600-700% from this level. So I do see this being a good buy, but just not right now. It is doing underperforming the market a little bit, but they do have good fundamentals. This will survive during the bear markets. And let's go check out the past, guys. Go check out if your coins too. If they have been through a few bear markets and how good they performed off of those. Compare it to these, right? So when we're in a I'll do it with some more of your coins. It'll be very good, guys. You guys got to pay attention to this. This is going to be pretty cool, right? This is going to be pretty cool, right? I'm showing you guys cool stuff that's going to make you cheer up a little bit better if you're down a lot. So, damn it. Why doesn't it show it? All right, it's fine. But what you guys are going to do, right? See how much this went up from the bottom to the top, right? If it went up 224%, you guys take that, right? Actually, the bull market started around here, right? So it went up around 500%. But you guys can take these other sort of bull runs that we've had and take these coins and see how they did during those. Compare that data. That will show you a lot about these coins. But yeah, I mean, that's just a cool little fact about that. But you can find out a lot of stuff about that. So all these coins respond with Bitcoin. We already know that already, right? If you guys are looking at TA only on Tron and you're like, I think it looks like a good buy because it's down. Everything's down, man. Everything's down. Everything's down. Do not buy based off of TA on one coin. Buy on based of TA on 2 coins, right? Tron and Bitcoin. Look at 2 coins if you guys want to buy, okay? But make sure to realize that where's the bottom of Tron? This hasn't dropped too significant, right, guys? Let's go check this level, right? Down 59%. All-time lows are around for the year. Let's go see this. Around 60% down. Maybe 80%. That's not too bad. It's held in there pretty good because it didn't pump up that much. These other coins pumped up a lot more than Tron did, and you're seeing the sell-offs for those other coins. This isn't that bad of a breakdown for Tron, to be completely honest. So it's not the best buy, in my opinion, because I'm looking for stuff that broke down a lot more and trying to catch it at a lower level, right? Okay, what else? All right, let's go through Litecoin. I'll try and hit the main ones, and then we'll go deal with the side chicks or whatever you guys want to call them. But the main ones, guys, are great things to tell. The hype chicks, right? Be careful with them, right? But we did make a lot of money during this bull market so far on this channel, at least. I'm sorry if you guys weren't participating on these side ones, right? On these side hyped up altcoins that just came out that pull lots of percent. That's what you guys got to do in the bull market, right? You guys acquire these great coins, these coins that you could wife up, that you guys could marry. They really are suiting your portfolio the best. And yeah, all right. So you guys kind of get the point. I don't know. But look how much Litecoin has down in the past 15 days or 13 days, 30 or 71%. Guys, this shows a lot, right? Litecoin is at the same level that we were February 1st. February 1st, we were at the same level for where Litecoin was. Probably going to be dropping a little bit more, right? I could see this November level of, let's go see how much down that is, right? So that's around 800% where it is right now. I saw some of you guys sent me this around 63% more. Some of you guys sent me this Litecoin bull mania guy, and you're like, how do you not like Litecoin that much? Like, look at this guy. Like, this guy explains it perfectly. And all this guy explained, he was a guy who just bought a Lamborghini with Litecoin. And all he's doing, guys, all these people, all these internet people, right? They don't ever want to talk about the bull market or the bear market, right? You want to know why? Because they don't want to talk about the bear market because they bought during the bear market, and they don't want you guys to understand that there's better times to buy than now. You guys wait for this to happen. There's better times to buy and hold than now. Those people that bought during this bear market, you guys never hear them say, "Oh, this bear market could be coming. It's probably going to come very soon." Instead, they say, "Oh, hold, buy more, buy more, buy more." Be careful, guys. You guys got to form your own opinions to really gauge a great perspective on the market yourself. You can do it 2 hours a day. I guarantee you, you will learn more than 60% or 70% of these people that have been doing this for a while. No, I gave you the resources. I gave you the books, giving you information. Okay, you guys will be able to do it. We're going to form the smartest crypto community, not the smartest, but the most educated, right? You guys don't need to be smart to do this. You just need to be able to put in the damn time, all right? That's all you need to do. Put in the damn time, and you guys will be able to survive and make money even during these bear markets. Short, guys. All right, so what else? Link. Okay, let's go to the chain link. Okay, but what do I see with Litecoin? I see a good buy level under there. I was just talking about that one guy. I somehow stumbled across that video. One of you guys sent it to me. But I see Litecoin being big. But guys, it hasn't really been too big this year with all the hype that we saw price action wise. I don't know, guys. I mean, it only went up 500% in the bull market. Are you serious? Like, you only did 5x Litecoin? Are you serious? I mean, just from a price perspective, yeah, good fundamentals and whatever, but you only did like a 5 or 6x during a bull market. Like, come on, we're not going to buy you. You don't deserve us, right? We don't want you. All right, so link. I was going to go into link. I already did Solana. Telling you that right now, guys. Yo, diamond hold during this bear market. You get the good buys. You continue to trade, or you guys learn trading, right? You either continue to trade or you guys learn trading. And if you guys are not that good at trading, you guys been losing money. Stop trading. Learn more. All right. Learn from your mistakes. You guys will always lose, right? You guys will always lose at some point. So what did Chainlink do? Chainlink only up 300%. Chainlink was shilled all the way back here, guys. All the way back in 2019, Chainlink has been shilled, but it's for a good reason, guys. It's for a damn good reason. Why is that? Because Chainlink has one of the best use cases. It's going to be able to power DeFi. I do see this 14 level. Yeah, we did have a buy order at 14 that probably already hit. Get ready to sell that, guys. How much of a gain is that from that buy level right there? This was like the only buy level that I think I gave for any coin recently, just because Chainlink has a lot of hype. That's all it is. But and the guys, they have a huge network that's being created. Maybe yeah, I would say maybe a buying opportunity there. But get ready to sell that 14, guys. Get ready to sell that 14. Take your profits, move up your trailing stop loss. You guys will be successful if you learn how to Google or YouTube search how to set a trailing stop loss instead of asking crypto expert questions that I could easily Google. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just saying the facts, right? You guys could easily Google this instead of spamming it in the chat. It would take a lot less longer. So, what else do we see? So, yeah, guys, look at this push down, though. Only 71, but I'm looking for around 86 to 82%. Guys, look at this. 87% down isn't even that low, right? So we were at these levels all the way here in September or even December, guys. For things to go down 86%, you guys are mind blown. People bought the top. People got hurt. People watched these videos. Chainlink going to $1 million, guys. Chainlink, like people are getting hurt during this. Be happy that you guys have the resources, the ability to be better, the ability to make gains, and not be one of those people that gets hurt. If you guys got hurt, this is your time to really prove yourself, shape up, and this will be the most powerful investments you will ever make in your life, is buying crypto during a bear market or learning how to make money during a bear market, right? Because you're just setting yourself up for future success, guys. I'm telling you that right now. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. I will help you guys out along the way. At some time though, next year, I'm gonna get off of YouTube because I'm gonna be able to teach you guys enough. Maybe I'll do a video or something. I've already thought about this. I just came on YouTube to share my opinions, to help you guys along the way, to really give YouTube a good someone that could really share some experience. I don't know. I find it fun too. Don't make any money from YouTube, guys. It all goes to the employees, guys. Make money from crypto. Want to know why I make money from crypto? Because of YouTube. Because you guys buy all my coins. You guys buy into my IDOs and I sell in your face. No, that's not how I make money. That's how most YouTubers make money, right? But that's for another talk. But yes, I make money from these strategies that I share, guys. Yes, I do longing and shorting a lot, guys, but that's not too difficult. I gave you books, I gave you resources. I know that's going to hurt more people than help more people if I share that. And I'm giving you guys all the books and the information. You guys can see my support lines. You can see my resistance lines. You guys can make a lot of money from that. So, make a lot of money from you guys learning how to do that as well. Gave you like 9 resources. Go check it out, please. So you guys want to see what XRP did during the last bear market, right? Look what happened. So around 82%. It just doesn't go. Wait, let me go to the 5-year. What did we see XRP do? Come on, man. Come on, man. Joe Biden here. All right, what do we see here? Around 88 to 90%, right? Around 88 to 90%. What are we seeing here? The same sort of goddamn same thing, right, guys? With this trend. Why does 2017 look like whatever, right? But make sure to remember that XRP will probably dip down a little bit lower just because Bitcoin was so high, XRP didn't pump. Yes, they have the lawyers. Yes, they have all that situations. But guys, look for a 0.37 to 0.24 XRP. That'd be my guess. Too early to tell. I'm just giving you guys these fallacy buy zones. Like, we don't know what the hell is going to happen tomorrow. We have some sort of trend on knowing what's going to happen tomorrow. How the hell do I know what's supposed to happen 2-3 months from now, right? I don't, but I'm trying to use the best of my abilities and a little bit of creative imagination to tell you guys where these alts are going to be to make you feel a little bit better. But at the same time, I'm trying to tell you guys to learn, right? There's this imagination thing, right? I do have somewhat of a good idea where things will end up, guys. It won't go below certain levels, but at the same time, guys, you guys want to have some sort of buying opportunities if Bitcoin hits the teens. Look at these prices in the teens, right? you're around 50% down on your portfolio. Should I hold or look back? I'm not going to give you guys any financial advice. I'm going to give you guys financial opinions. I do see a little bit of an uptrend from where Bitcoin is right now. I did a video on it, just the other video that I posted earlier. I do see a little uptrend with Bitcoin. Let me summarize it, guys. EMA levels, they're going to be touched. Probably going to see around a 5 to 10% increase in Bitcoin. If we don't see that now, probably we break down to the 29 to the 30 level, but then we're going to have another uptrend to the EMA level and maybe bounce above the EMA level. So we're going to be going up 10, 20% from there. And then we're going to see this breakdown. This is what we saw in 2017. Probably going to see it again, right? We see the same trends, the same year. Everyone is like, oh, no, it can't happen again. Or they're like, what happened in 2017? There was a what? What's a bear market, right? A lot of these people are like that. It's okay, guys. No one told you. No one was here to hold your hands. And you had to really work and learn on your own. But that's the worst thing about crypto is people don't know, guys. People don't know, and it's a terrible situation. Some of you guys were put in with no advice, just pushed out into the deep end of the pool at the end of this bear market. But like I said, probably see it maybe a 34K, 35K, 36, 37K around that level. Set your trailing stop loss. Take your profits along the way. I see that as a great exit point for Bitcoin. Because what do we see right now? This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go into the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Listen up, listen up, listen up. So when do I exit? When do I exit? When do I exit? Right? Well, if you guys are still in right now, you guys haven't been watching my videos too much, or haven't been paying attention to my videos too much about the whole trading and stop loss ordeal. It's okay. I understand you're somewhat new. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button, to get absolutely nothing. Just to get advice and opinions and free books and all that. Kidding, you guys do get a lot for being here, I promise. I'm going to make it worth your while. So we see this push down, right? This is the end of the bear markets, okay? Or the end of the bear markets into the bull markets. Let me write this down real quick for you guys. You guys got to be able to see this, right? So what is this? The bull market has started, right? So the bull market has started right here. And what do we see right here, right? This is when the bull market has ended, right? Right at this tipping point right here. So the bull market has ended, right? All right, let me move that. So the bull market has ended right here. So right here, when we got to this tipping point, the bull market has ended. We had the fake out downwards. We had the BitBoy's going to post, guys, Bitcoin's going back to 300K. I promise, guys, we're in bull market full force, right? That's what you guys are going to hear around this level. Everyone's back in it. Everyone's happy. They're thriving. And you want to know what I'm going to do? Have you guys take some profits, set some stop losses, because the chances are is we're going to go right back up into the bear market full force, right? We already saw this little hiccup up here. We already saw this little hiccup up here. I see a little bit more stagnicity and then us popping off, and then we're going to have that push down. I do see this as a good time to be taking profits, right? A good time to be taking profits. So this is when the bull market starts, right? We have Bitcoin dominance going lower and lower and lower. Money's going into alts, right? Hodl Bitcoin, guys. No, you guys, when we're in this bull market, right? Alts are going to outperform Bitcoin by 10x, 5x, 4x, right? We see it happen all the time. Hodling Bitcoin is just something that Michael Saylor wants you guys to do. Yeah, it's safe. But if you guys have the right strategies, it's not worth it. I'll tell you that right now. I might sound arrogant. I might sound like a prick, but it's in my blood, guys. It's in my nature to really never hold Bitcoin. I haven't held Bitcoin in my entire time in crypto, and I've been 5x, 10x more successful than most of these people that I know that have over 20 to 50% Bitcoin in their portfolio. Just throwing that out there for you guys, okay? More than that, to be honest. But what do we see here? Okay, what do we see here? We see another retracement. This is how many months after. Let's measure how many months this is, right? How long did this take? We're doing this at a lot faster speeds, guys. A lot faster speeds. We're seeing the bull market ends, right? How long did this last? Around 60 days, right? 60 days. How much percent did we go up? We went up around 24%, right? What did we see in like fucking one day, right? What did we see in one day? We saw around 15 to 20% in around 3 days. I know you guys can't see that. It was around 3 days. We saw a 16 to 20% increase, right? So imagine that, guys. Imagine how quick this is probably going to go down. We're probably going to see this go down within the next week. Maybe it rises a little bit more, but I do see some money going into these alts, getting your last hoorah on, and then we're going to hit this and then bounce back up. It might not be exactly as predicted, but you guys don't want to go against the data. You guys want to go with the data, with the EMA levels. I'm talking about the EMA levels, right? This isn't just me drawing pictures and doing whatever. EMA levels, don't trade against them, guys. Trade with them. You will be a lot more successful. And we saw the EMA levels. Where were they trending? They were showing a little bit of a bounce up with Bitcoin. Maybe we'll break out of the EMA. That's a lot of praying. But around 36K right now, or 35,500. Bitcoin will be touching the EMA. If we see a breakout, we'll probably see 37K. And we did have a breakout of the EMA levels back in 2017 around the same time after we had the dip. It's literally matching up. We're seeing 2017 dip and the 2021 look very similar. I think instead of these market makers, yes, these market makers are helping the price do what it does, but most of it's psychology. People are acting the same way they did in goddamn 2017, guys. I'm telling you that right now. Same things I've been seeing, guys. You see BitBoy or whatever these YouTubers post, everything's going back up, right? 100K Bitcoin by next month, right? You guys are going to see that all over. Just be careful, have your own opinion, and follow the data, follow the facts, and you will be more successful. I'm telling you that right now, guys. Follow the data, follow the facts, follow the trends. Don't follow people blindly. Don't follow me blindly, guys. Go look at more videos. Go read more books, please. So we see that violent push up, then we see that violent push down. Do you think we're going to be having a great exit point when we have that violent push down in Bitcoin dominance? That's going to be a very good thing to see. Looking for around 44 levels, guys. We did drop all the way down here. Let me take this magnet off. We did drop all the way down here to around 35. We're around 10% higher than we were. So maybe this will be around 10% higher. Who knows? Maybe you guys pick up on those trends or not. But yes, bull market has started, right? Or bull market has ended when we have these high levels start, and the high levels did start, so the bull market has ended, guys. We haven't had this high of a push with Bitcoin dominance this entire bull market. Neither did we in this one. Yes, we did, but there were a few dips. This was really like, right? But nothing like this, So let me get to a few of your coins, all right? Sorry. I know, they're in denial, guys. They're in denial. Angel, they're in denial, man. We had the same thing happen in 2017. I saw the denial. I saw the denial. And you guys want to know what? Yes, it can go back up. I hope it does. But why not prepare for if something bad happens? Why not protect yourself? Why not wear a helmet if you guys are going to be driving in a fucking motorcycle going 120, right? Do you really just not give that much of a fuck? Do you really just want to be having yourself at that much risk when this does happen in the past? I know you guys might really be listening to these other people or listening to whatever's out there, but this stuff does happen. It happened in 2017, guys. I don't want anyone else to get hurt. I want to help you guys. I really do. I'm not trying to hurt you, I promise. Just look at the facts, wear a goddamn helmet, have some stop losses at least if you guys want to hodl. I mean, at least have some stop losses, right? All right, so let's go into FTM. All right, what do we see with FTM? This thing has absolutely dropped down. We're still not at all-time lows, guys. We're still not at all-time lows, and they did come out with quite a few things that I do see having them maybe stay above in a bear market above this level, but we'll just put it down there for fun. Okay, we'll just put it down there for fun. All right, so let me go back down there. Let me chart it up. All right, so what do we see? Guys? Well, we see FTM down over 80%, 80% on the top, right? What is this? Around 81% already in how many days, guys? How many days does it take for these coins to go this low when Bitcoin drops? Around 14 days to go down 82 to 81%. So I do see some resistance being built because Bitcoin did go a little bit higher right now. We do have a little bit of a run up, but if Bitcoin keeps going down, guys, we're probably going to see around at 0.9 to 0.3 FTM. We could even see a little bit lower. We could see around this July level of, where was this? 0.045. We'll talk about that when it happens, because I will, I promise. But how much lower can this still drop? Let's go chart that out. Maybe another 40 to 80% from there. But what are the gains going to be looking like from here, guys? 30x, just to all-time highs, 30x, right? Just to all-time highs, 30x. Around the 10x. Guys, some coins didn't even break all-time highs from this bull run when they had 2017, guys. Just throwing it out there. People were buying stuff just like 2017. Things didn't even break highs from 2017 till now. Like a lot of things in 2017 went up ridiculous amounts because people were buying. They weren't reading, looking into it. And when this panic started to rip, things started to fall down, right? But we did see those run-ups, guys. Like I talked about, we did see a few bounce backs when we were in these bear markets, so be prepared for that. But not saying FTM doesn't have use case, but a lot of these things had a lot more use case, or didn't have a lot higher market cap than it did in 2017, and they were still alive, right? We saw Neo do something different. 97% down from this. Guys, this is just all the way back in January, right? This is just all the way back in January. Bitcoin was a lot lower in this month. And we see a 98% down FTM. Wow. It's not going to zero. It's going to the bear market status where we buy these coins for almost to zero, and then you make 50, 40x gains. All right, we'll go into Ethereum. I mean, guys, all right, so Bitcoin dominance, you guys saw that, right? I'm not seeing things. Let's follow the charts instead of following these other people, right? I follow the charts. I don't follow other people. I follow the charts. I do take opinions from people that are very educated in crypto, have been doing this for way longer than I have. They've been doing this for almost 10, 11 years. I've been doing this for only 7 to 5 years, guys. I'm a little infant, okay? How long have you guys been doing this? Have you guys been following the charts, right? These are things that these very educated people do, right? They follow the charts. They don't care what people are doing unless someone has the same education, or they have the same sort of I don't know, education, I guess you could say. But yes, make sure you guys learn about that. Just educating yourself. So Ethereum really could go down to this $1,000 to $1,200 mark. I see it maybe staying a little bit above because of IEP 1559, guys. This will make it a store of value. This thing will pump during the bear market. I'll tell you that right now. Ethereum, if it does drop down to this $1,000 to $1,200 level, I might even buy some myself. I do see it pumping because it has the IEP 1559 events, which everyone's going to forget about because we're in a bear market. They're like, everything's dropping, run, right? But if this does drop a lot, I will probably buy some at the $1,500 to $1,000 level. You see that is good. People are in denial saying this isn't a crash. Guys, what do you mean this isn't a crash? Let's look at the dip that we've had and show you guys the trends in the charts. If I'm into this is gonna be like one of the last. I mean, I'm gonna do this all the time. I enjoy showing people this, gauging another perspective. I know it hurts that we're in a crash. I know it hurts that in the past 40 days we're down 54%. But at the same time, they need to know, and it will help. It will help them be a lot more profitable. So look, when the bull market starts, this is how much Bitcoin dominance is, right? 74% of all money is in Bitcoin. Look what we see. We see that drop all the way down to 39% of all the money is in Bitcoin, right? Boom, we see this spike up. It was going down, 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 spiked up, right? When we go back here, what do we see here, right? Spike down, right? And then it goes up a little bit, and then we have another spike down, and then it goes up. And then this is the bear market, right? Bear market, everyone, bear market. And then you stay in this bear market. You have this fluctuate a little bit. Still enough volatility, but yes. Good. I mean, there's a lot of other charts as well. Look at the EMA levels. Look how overvalued we were on the EMA levels. When stuff is this overvalued, guys, when something goes up 600, 700%, there's sell-offs. When something goes 800, 900%, there's sell-offs. The mountain, there's always going to be a cliff or a plateau, some sort of drop-off to a mountain, though. So you're going to have something go up. It could go down to here, right? But it's probably going to plateau and then come back up, right? Whatever. I mean, I think we're going to not dip as far as some people say. We're not going to 10K, I'll tell you that. If we go to 10K, guys, no, we're not going to 10K. Let's be honest. But maybe teens, maybe 18, 19. Definitely going to be going into the 20s, I can tell you that. But these coins will get a lot lower because they were a lot more undervalued than what or overvalued than what they were when Bitcoin was that low. I'm not saying we're going to the teens yet. I need to see more charts. I need to see more days ahead of us until then. But guys, this is Sunday. The real stuff is going to come out tomorrow, guys. The real stuff is going to come out tomorrow when everyone has access to the market. So be careful with all the moves that you're going to make today, because tomorrow is when we'll really see what's going to be happening with the markets with Bitcoin, right? With Bitcoin. Yeah, no, the FUD does hurt, but guys, we've seen this every single year, okay? Let's talk about, okay, please stay with me, okay? Please stay with me. I'm going to explain something, right? A lot of these coins are worthless pieces of shit, okay? You guys got to understand. A lot of these coins don't make any revenue, right? They might make revenue in 5 years or 10 years, but they have another 100 or 200 companies that are their competition, right? A lot of these coins, when you see a bull market ending, you see these IDOs come out one after one after one after one. You see Random R come out of his crypto banter. You see crypto banter come out of his closet and start shilling IDOs and scamming people, guys. 2018 crash, crypto banter, left, went to a different country after that. Guys, look him up. He got fired from his job for scamming, right? We saw those scams, right? Saw those scams occur. We saw crypto banter come out of his closet, right? Oh, that's a little hint that maybe this bull market's going to increase, and we're going to see this guy run off with the money, and the bear market might be coming soon. So we saw that. This guy, right, did a bunch of scams. I'm not saying he just did them. A lot of other people did, but that's just a good example. And I hope some banter bags might carry your madness at me for me telling you about the banter bags, right? But really look into these ICO scams, guys. There's going to be probably some news, some regulation that might come out about that because a lot of people are getting away with these scams, and it's just a matter of time before they do. But when you see these new companies come out, what is it doing, right? It's showing that there's stupid money in the market. There's so much money that people are buying these things without researching them, without knowing them. And when that happens, that shows somewhat of a top. That shows somewhat of a top in the markets. We saw that. And we also saw Bitcoin go down 54% along with that. And it's kind of showing a top. We could have had some ICO scams last a little bit longer. But guys, we're probably at the start of the bear market. We might have a little bit of an uptrend like we did in 2017 where we went up 10, 20%. Bear trap, bear trap, bear trap, guys. And then boom, it's going to drop back down. I can guarantee it, right? Guarantee it. All right, so no, I don't hate on banter bags, guys. I just find it a little comical, right? So we're just having a little laugh. You guys like it, I like it. So Zilliqa, all right, let's go to Zilliqa. Yeah, I don't hate anyone, guys. I'm very genuine and honest guy. You know, some people actually took their own lives, guys. Some people actually took their own lives in 2017 because they lost so much money. You guys know what? This guy just, he just continues to scam. He saw that. He just continues to scam to this day, guys. People actually took their own lives in 2017. There were suicide hotlines everywhere when this stuff was happening. People were in so much denial. They held on to the very last moment. They actually took their own lives, guys. It's disgusting. And I mean, this is not a joke, guys. This is not a joke. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be saying jokes like that. Really, trying to make the situation a little bit better, right? So we see, didn't we just go over FTM, man? Just went over FTM. All right, let's go into Stellar. All right, so what do we see in Stellar, right? We see 61%. What was this price looking like all the way back here? Why shouldn't we look at the prices here? So we're not down too much. We're not down too much with Stellar. Probably at where it should be, right? So we'll probably do very good during a bear market if we go any lower, right? Not going to say we're going to go lower, but it's looking like we're going to go lower on the trends, right? But I do see Stellar being a very good hodl, a very good buy if it does drop below these levels, because this is what the levels that we saw when Bitcoin was around the same price. Very good buys during a bear market. Stellar is going to be very, very good to buy. This is one that you could hodl, you could cradle onto because it does very, very good during these bear markets. It had a little pump before the bull market. That's how you know something that has use case pumps during a bear market or during the start of a bull market. Something will pump, right? You see these shit coins pump off at the end of the bull market, right? We saw Shiba, we saw SafeMoon, we saw all these coins. All right, that might not be the main cause, but guys, when you see these shit coins popping off, you know you're in a bull market, right? Just saying, okay. Some good buy levels around this, right? Let's see how much percent this is, right? Around 1,000% from those levels. Probably will go a little bit lower, but guys, this is holding very, very well compared to these other coins, guys. But look what I'm talking about. So we have these run-ups, right? We have these run-ups. Then we have these breakdowns. We have these run-ups and we have these breakdowns. Run-ups, breakdowns, run-ups, breakdowns, right? The larger the run-up, most likely, the larger the breakdown we will have. This is just a little thing for you guys to look. This is showing it very well. Large breakup, large breakdown, large breakup, large breakdown, right? You guys see this pattern that emerges in crypto? This is something very important to realize, right? You guys buy at the bottoms, right? If you guys are buying, or you guys short at the tops. You guys short at the tops, buy at the bottoms, and you guys buy diamond hands during this consolidation period, right? This isn't that hard if you guys put in the time. You guys buy during this period, right? You trade during this period. Maybe you sell off some, right? You short some when we're at tops. You buy some at the bottoms. I know it's hard to time, but when we're in a bull market, it's not that hard to time because we have key resistance, key support levels that if you guys put in the hours, you will see them. And we go over this on this channel. Okay, so what else? Seller. All right, we'll go over Stellar, but you guys gotta understand, we don't know what Bitcoin's gonna be tomorrow, but we can look at the trends, right? We can look at the trends. EMA level needs to be broke, right? It looks like it's gonna break out. We had the same breakout in 2017. Maybe we'll see some of the same psychology take over tomorrow. If not, we're gonna be very, very bearish for Bitcoin. That's why you guys gotta put on some stop losses, right? that's the main reason for that. It'll help you guys take care of that wound, and make you guys on the better path with stop losses. That's one thing that if you guys haven't learned it yet, go watch a YouTube video. Go watch a YouTube video on it, because if you guys haven't learned stop losses yet and you guys are planning to do crypto for a while and you guys have the time to be doing this probably every day or maybe every other day, you're going to need stop losses, my guy. You're going to need stop losses. So we're down 78% from all-time high. Sellers does have a use case, guys, but look at this. Look at this buying opportunity if you guys buy it down here, right? Well, what could you guys make? 1,700%. All right, so would you guys rather make 1,700%? Or would you guys rather make, let's see where we're at right now. Would you guys rather make around 300%, okay? Don't be sad if these things keep on dipping. Be happy, because then you guys are going to be able to make and buy them down here and make more profits, because these people are going to buy back on top of you. I promise. This happens all the time. People will buy back on top of you at these all-time highs, right? So you will buy them low, and these idiots, not idiots, these people who don't educate themselves enough in crypto will buy back on top of you. Some of you guys got the short end of the stick, right? You guys bought in, and you are that person who was uneducated who bought back in, either because you watched one of my small cap gem videos or you watched one of my 1000x videos, whatever the case might have been. You guys watch BitBoy, Crypto Banter, whatever it is, right? Just remember, set your stop loss. Really, really buy when we're in a consolidation phase, when we're in an accumulation phase, and make sure that you guys learn from your lessons, right? You guys learn from your lessons. Don't believe anything on YouTube that you see. Believe in the data, believe in the facts, and you guys will be successful 5-10 years from now, more than anyone that you will ever hear on YouTube. If you guys click off this video and you guys go learn on yourselves, you guys will be more successful than any single person you guys can watch. Go click on my first video today. I posted so much resources in the description. I posted like 10 books in there you guys could read. Go read them. Get off this video, okay? Go read them, download them, do whatever. I don't want you guys to watch if you guys aren't going to learn. All right, let's go over Rune. Rune is going to be very big, guys. This is something that you buy during the bear market. You guys buy some Rune during the bear market, right? Why do you do this? I'm telling you guys, next bull market, we're going to see Rune $100 billion. Whoa, expert crypto. Whoa. A lot of hopium just pumped through my head. Okay, no. I see this being $100 billion. Let's go check what the market cap is of Rune right now. Why do you see that? Guys, they are the truly best decks in the game. Wait till everyone gets pissed off at CZ, right? So wait for everyone to get pissed off at CZ and they move into Rune, because this is really what they should be doing. They're in the they're in Cosmos as well. Bullish on Cosmos as well, and bullish. This is their best decks that they have by far. But let's go into Rune. Why do you say it's going to 100x, expert? Why are you playing with my emotions, guys? Go use the exchange. Go look into the exchange. I'm not going to go too deep into it, but it's really an amazing product, right? So hopefully we're blessed enough to buy some Rune around this price, guys. If we buy some around this price, 50x, and then we'll see another 100x on top of it from this price. Maybe we'll see it push that much. Okay, 100x. Okay, we'll see. Even a 10x from now, right? Even a 10x from what are we at? $20. We go to $100. 25,000%. I do see that possible. If we're able to get the luckiness of buying it from down here, highly doubt it. This one probably do very good during the bear market. But look for these buying levels, guys. Go look in the room, guys. I truly think it will be $100 billion next bull market. Especially guys, especially Rune. Okay, truly believe in it. And I don't believe in stupid shit. I can tell you guys that right now. All right. This is just pure analytics. If we see some type of bull run like we did now, okay? Wait to buy it till it's down low, maybe dollar cost average into it earlier, but I'm going to wait for some low levels, because I did buy this very low here back in October, because I believed in it, and it still has a lot of room to grow. All right, vet buy levels. Let's go into VeChain buy levels, all right? Like I said, there's another crypto that's 266x less than what VeChain is, right? So 266x, they equal VeChain's market cap. What does this company offer? Right? What do they offer? They have 4x more revenue than VeChain. They have 4x more use case than VeChain, and 266x less than VeChain. Why is this? Because crypto is based off of hype, right? If you guys are like, no crypto, no expert, no, right? Guys, listen, 266x less market cap. They just have 266x less marketing and less hype and less shill on YouTube, right? This is how the market works. And this company's making 4x more than what VeChain's making, right? So what the heck, man? What the heck, right? Guys, welcome to crypto, right? Just a little fact for you guys. Not even going to name the company off, but you guys know it if you guys have watched my videos before. I don't care. I'm not going to shill them. I don't even own that company. Want to know why? Their hype's not there. Why would I own something like that, right? So VeChain, let's see how much. 440 days, only did 100x. That's not too good compared to some other cryptos, guys. Telling you that right now. But what do we see VeChain at in February to February to January level? We see I already marked this down. This 2.7 level would be a good buying opportunity, or this 3.8 level, which is still we could probably still even lower than that, but that's around 25 to 50 to 60% from now. I'm honestly going to put a level down here just because I think this guy's a little overvalued. Yes, it does have great use case, guys, but there's other companies that are going to sneak up on VeChain, in my opinion, and this is not something I would be buying during a bear market, guys. I'll tell you that right now. It's not something I'd be buying during a bear market. Why is that? Look how much percent it did, right? You guys might think I'm crazy. What, this thing did a 9x in the bear market? What the heck, man? You're not going to be buying it? No, guys, I'm not. I have a lot of cryptos that did way better. They did 10 times a 10x, and I bought them in a bear market, right? Have faith in the bear market. Have some strut in your walk, because you guys will be sitting very nice buying in the bear market. Okay, you guys, all right. Not trying to be an asshole, guys, but you guys want this thing to drop as low as it can. Want to know why? Because these things are going to come back up as fast as they can. All right. Don't be sad. Be glad that you guys are actually finding out some information. I'm telling you guys right now, buy during a bear market. Maybe you got to wait a year or two. Maybe you got to wait 3 years. Maybe you got to wait 4 years, right? But you will be way more successful than any time before. And I'll promise you that, guys. I'm not gonna stop doing YouTube until I at least 100x your guys' 203. We'll do 250x your portfolio. And I'm not some money guru, guys. I'm literally showing you how to do it. You don't need to watch me for a goddamn second. You guys just need to read some damn books, right? Read some damn data, right? You guys don't even need to watch me, right? But yeah, not looking to buy this. But if you do want to buy this, if you have an emotional attachment, because we're emotionless on this channel, but I know you're a little bit emotional over there, man. But if you guys, I'm kidding. But if you want to watch or buy VeChain around 2.8 cents or 1.2, probably not the worst idea. But I don't see it surviving during a bear market. I don't. Because there's other companies 4x more value than VeChain from a stock perspective. But you guys want to know what stocks? No, guys, stocks are nothing, right? Especially, guys, crypto is so overvalued. It's insane. It makes me sick sometimes. But at the end of the day, guys, wait for things to sell off. Wait for things to hype back up. Set your stop losses. Trade if you guys want to. 188-page book. Got like probably 50, 60 hours worth of great learning material that you guys can go through. All right, what else? Best bouncing alts to buy during dip. I'm not going to give any, but all I'm going to say is a lot of these alts right here, guys. Let me go to change in percents. What alts are down the most? I already gave you guys a lot of things to buy during the dip, and I had a lot of people that bought them after my video, and they bought them like a day after my video and did very poorly on them. So I don't even I shouldn't even give you guys any buy orders. I should just tell you guys some alts that look good, and don't FOMO into them after, right? Don't FOMO into them after, guys. Look what XVS did, by the way. I'm just going to point this out. How many days did it take for it to go down 86%? Let's go over. How long does it take for something to go down 86%? That doesn't have too much use case, guys. 6 days, something went down 85%. That was over 100 or over $500 billion. Imagine that, guys. $860 million takes a while to like transfer. If you guys are transferring $860 million via DeFi or centralized finance, probably gonna take you like a week. Probably around actually 4 or 5 days for that to hit in a different account. Count the weekends, right? You're looking probably at a week or so for that to hit. If you guys want to lose or transfer over $860 million, you guys could have just bought some XVS and saved some time. So that's pretty funny to see. But I sorry for any of you guys that invested in that. We did trade that though. We made money off that. But I'm just saying, guys, look how crazy this market does move. Be prepared. That's what you guys got to read. Let me go through some more. What is it? I see Altcoin having a nice bounce at some points, but be ready, because look how much it dropped down here. We did catch this one. This was one of our best trades that we had. Went over like 300% in the matter of a day or two, just because people FOMO into it, and that's just shows you the type of market that we have. I do see maybe Altcoin. I can't give you too many trades. Just whatever you guys are holding. A lot of my trades are longing and shorting right now. I'm not really buying a lot of these altcoins on the dips right now because I'd rather short and long most of these alts with leverage on the trends. And you guys can read that book and figure out how to do that on your own. Just be very careful, guys. With that, make sure to research. What alts are you guys going to buy that are bouncing back? I'll look into what you guys think are going to bounce back the most. How about that? I do see Dent having a nice bounce back, but we'll have to see about that. Guys, look at Dent just went under, just hasn't went under the level where it dipped to. We just got under it now. But that one might be good. Cody, we'll have to see about Cody. I'm looking for this level right here. We'll see. Holo. All right, we'll go into Holo in a second. I see that. I see Holo. I see Ada. I see Dot. All right. Maybe Sushi. Oh, Sushi's a little bit still a little bit overvalued. It pumped up pretty hard. All these people are saying, "Oh, these coins are overvalued, guys. These coins are overvalued." Are they making revenue, man? Are they making revenue? Are we at the end of a bear market? Maybe, guys. Maybe. Yes, I'm bullish on Bitcoin short term. Go check out that other video if you guys think I'm capping. If you guys go look at the facts, right? Sick of your shit. Kidding. Kidding, guys. I'm not. I'm having fun. Helping some lives out. Hopefully I can change some lives. That's really the goal, guys. I'm gonna change some of your guys' lives for the better. I swear to God I will. Those that listen, your life will be changed. So 86% on Holo. What do we see with Holo? Downtrend, and we have a support. I'm not, guys. You guys gotta have some comedy when you guys are down this much money. Take your mind off of it. Look at something that'll make you laugh. That's what I'm trying to do. Some comedy will help you. I promise. I know it might not help your portfolio, but listen up, guys. So we have a Holo already down 85% from all-time highs. I do see a 3-1 level possibly being a good buy level for them. I need to look at this day to day, guys. It's Sunday. What am I doing? It's Sunday, guys. You guys, I can't be giving you the best advice on the buy and sell on Sundays. My success rate on Sundays and Saturdays is around 10 to 20% less, around actually 23% less than what it is during the week, right? So I'm giving you guys 23% less success rates, which is not as good of calls, right? I do less buys too on Sunday and Saturday. Just be careful if you guys are going to be buying. Be very meticulous about it, because we're going to see a drastic upside or downside. It does look like an upside just for that day or this next week, but I can't be going into that many buys. All I can tell you guys is these altcoins will drop further down than where they're at right now. That's when you guys should be buying and diamond handing. Sorry. From wife changing money to saving lives. Guys, this is how crypto works, man. We thought this was going to go higher, but I mean, one thing led to another, and now I got to teach you guys now how to get into a bear market. I wish it was later. I wish I didn't have to. I wish I could teach you guys how to make more money in a bull market. If I talked about a bear market back then, you guys wouldn't have wanted to watch. Let's be honest. You'd have been like, oh no, hell no, hell no. All right, we'll go into Cardano. I'm a little curious about Cardano. Cardano is still around, this 50 cent is where this moving average is on the year. I do see Cardano dropping down to this 40-50 cent area. Whoa, my Cardano's going to move down to 40-50 cent. Better buy a lot of wine. Yeah, you better buy some more wine, guys. Cardano still has a long way to go to get to its moving average of where it should be. They have a lot of mainnets. They have a lot of Gogins to release to get there. I know that might sound like a shocker to you, but the crypto market's overvalued. If Bitcoin's at 33K, why won't Cardano drop to around 50 cents? It makes sense. I know they're coming out with a lot, but be realistic, guys. The EMA on it is really showing a larger dip than what it's at. Cardano is extremely overvalued right now from where it's at right now. We might see a little push up, but when Cardano pushes up, guys, it's a very, very easy thing to short. A lot of people are shorting Cardano, including myself. I have shorted Cardano a lot, guys. I made a lot of money from shorting Cardano just because it's very easy to predict with their community and with how money moves in Cardano. I do see this possibly going up when we have a Bitcoin push, probably to around this 2.1 level. And then I see a lot of support around this 2.1 to 140 level, which would be a very good opportunity to short them. But yeah, maybe a little push up, but definitely they're coming back down, guys, to around the 40 to 50 cents by the end of this bear market. You'll definitely see Cardano under 50 cents. No, it's not. Guys, Cardano went down 90%, 95% in the last bear market, guys. I know you can't compare that. I believe it was more than that. I see probably around this level, guys, 80%. Come on. The guys don't... Why would your coin not go down? And why would other coins with the same use case as ADA go down more? Come on. You guys are emotionally attached. 70% of ADA is staked. That doesn't matter. Why would you stake something in a bear market? All right. Oh my gosh. It's too early, guys. I need to wait for the market to actually go down and then talk about this stuff. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for hurting your feelings. All right. So what else, guys? I know I just got a bunch of dislikes for that. Guys, come on. I'm being realistic with you guys. Look at the past. Look how things work in crypto, and tell me that Cardano is not going to go to around 50 cents. Okay, please tell me that. I'm telling you guys, these other coins are going to go down, and then I hit a soft spot with Cardano, right? Come on, guys. Go look at the past. Go look at the analytics on it. I'm not lying to you guys. I'm just giving you guys a different perspective, right? What do I see with Matic, right? Matic, like a huge mountain Matic had. We saw a large run up with Matic, large downside with Matic, right? We still have a little bit more to go down. I do see us probably pushing this 38 to 26 cent level. Would be some good buys during Matic during the bear market, but definitely going to survive a bear market. So will ADA, guys. ADA will survive a bear market. Okay. All right. So what else? What else? So I guess we can go with ICP. All right. So let's look at ICP. I'm just letting you guys know, right? If ADA does go down to 50 cents, right? Come back to this channel, okay? Come back to this channel and really listen to what I'm saying. Really listen to what I'm saying. I've been doing crypto for 7 years. You guys that are buying into ADA probably were here maybe 2019, 2020. Probably around 70%, 70%, right? Staked 70%, joined crypto in the past 3 or 4 months, or the past year or so. The people that have been doing crypto, we don't have PTSD, guys. We don't have PTSD. We just have education, okay? A lot of us were in the same state as you were. We were in ignorance. We were in denial. We're like, no, this can't be happening. BitBoy says it's going to go up. All these YouTubers say it's going to go up. Charles is the holy grail of holy grails. And this company's going to stay up, guys. It doesn't, all right? We're probably going to see a drop to around that level, okay? I'm just saying. Come back to this channel, okay? Go click off this video. Come back to this channel if you guys want. I'm really trying to teach you guys, okay? You guys have to understand, right? What did ICP do? Down 95%. Down 95% in 12 days. I think that's a record, guys. I think that's a record. The quickest company to go down to 95% in 12 days. That was validated over $50-60 billion at one time. That's a record, guys. That's a record right there. So many people lost billions and billions of dollars with this. So let's go over ICP, though. The market does go down, guys. The market does go down multiple times, okay? I'm just saying, rather be careful with your ADA than not being careful, all right? Rather have a stop loss on it. What if it does go down to what you guys are lower than expecting? What if you guys have never been through a bear market? What if you guys have never felt what it feels like to have your heart ripped out of your chest while being alive online through crypto? That's what it feels like. Then you guys haven't. Don't have PTSD, guys. I'm looking at analytics. This is what analytics are showing. This is what data is showing. It's not showing emotions. You guys don't get any emotions in data. You want to know what you get? You get data, right? You get analytics. You guys got to keep your emotions out of check, right? Emotions in check, right? So, guys, fastest 95% down. I think this is a world record right here. 95% in 12 days. This is a goddamn world record, guys. This is insane, but what do I see? See some consolidation going on. Probably going to get, I can't really tell how much lower it can go. It's already down 95%. Probably see maybe a little bit of a $40 to $80 range would be a great buy zone. I do see them be very big in the future. There's no damn way they're not going to be big, okay? No goddamn way they're not going to be big. So, ugly truth or beautiful lies? I'll do both. I'll do both. No, I will tell you guys the truth. I know it hurts, the truth. You guys are already down 60%. I'm just hitting you again. I'm hitting a donkey while it's down. Buy donkey, guys. Crypto banter, buy donkey, okay? But I'm being serious. I know I might come off as an asshole when I'm saying this shit, but you guys, like, I'm really trying to help you. Go look at the data yourself, okay? Be like, this guy, okay, F this guy, but let me go look at the data. Let me go and try and figure this out for myself. What is he talking about? Cardano went down 95, 96% last bear market. And Cardano got absolutely pumped up this bear market with no actual use case in products. Got pumped up more than like 99% of these, actually 100% of these other altcoins that had products that had use case more than Cardano does. What does he mean? 70% staked? Whoa. This had around 95% more investors in the past 3 months that were new to crypto. Whoa. All right. So that's all I'm saying. Okay. I know I might come off as like an asshole, guys, but I'm just trying to get the truth to you. Truth hurts, right? When you guys lose money, truth hurts, but you guys want to know what? I don't know. I don't know what. But I do know that a lot of facts about ADA are pointing towards the downtrend. If I say other stuff is going down, it's like, okay. When I say ADA is going down, it's like, come on, man. Dude, I really, like, I can't do any analytical data on this, bro. It's been down 95% in 12 days. No goddamn clue. No goddamn clue. This is a record beater right here. All right, so what else? What else? I just went over ICP. We can't do ICP. We just did VeChain. Expert Crypto has your money, probably. BitBoy to the moon, probably not. All right, so I've kind of already went through all these coins that you guys have said, all right? So we'll go through Ethereum Classic. All right, we're probably going to see a large drop in Ethereum Classic, but guys, this is going to be the perfect bear market coin to buy. Why? Why is this a perfect coin to buy? Crypto expert, what are you talking about, man? I'm just holding on to my ADA over here, drinking some goddamn wine. And you know what? You said ADA is good, now you're saying ETC is good, man? I'm just gonna click off this video and go. I'm gonna go click on me some BitBoy $20 ADA videos and get my pants tingling, right? So what do we see with Ethereum? Well, that might happen in like 5 years or 10 years, guys. No, 4 years we will see a $20 ADA, guys. Buy it at a lower price. Why not? Why not buy something at a lower price? Okay, why not? Why not, guys? Get something at a discount, get something on sale, return it back to fucking Walmart, right? Go buy it at a lower price. Okay? But what do we see? Wait, was it an Ethereum question, right? I believe it was an Ethereum question. Maybe not. No, it was ETC, Ethereum Classic, all right? So Ethereum Classic will be big in the future. When all the Ethereum is mined, right? People like me, they're going to be like, what do I mine next? What do I mine next, guys? I need to make some money out of this equipment or else I got to sell it, right? They're going to turn to Ethereum Classic. I've mined Ethereum Classic and sold all of mine around $100+ when I mined it for very, very little because not too many people paid attention to it. We see this around 77% down from all-time highs, a little bit more than that. But guys, people are going to mine this. I can guarantee you, me being a miner, me doing mining for over 4 to 5 years, I can guarantee you guys, from my expertise, from my experience, people are going to mine the shit out of ETC when the time comes to it. This coin is going to perform very, very well in a bull market because when that bull market does happen, Ethereum is going to be out, right? We're going to have another coin that needs to be mined. It's going to be Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic does have use case as well. This coin is going to be a very great coin to buy in the bear markets. I'm looking around $20 to get this at, $20 to $10 to get this at. Right, so $20 to $10 would be a great price for ETC, right? It's going to be big. RLC, right? What will happen with RLC? It's not like we made like 500 or we made 100% like 3 or 4 times trading this one through the dips. Oh, we did? Did we really? Wow, you guys didn't notice until the bear market that we've been making a lot of gains on this coin all the time, right? So we made around 200, 300% on this trade. I told you guys to take some profits here, but we bought it back again when we saw this bearish turn. Now remember, we bought down here, made some gains. We bought down here. How much did we make? Around 100% if you guys bought at this white line here. I'm not going to be buying this coin again. I already made my money from this. A little bit overvalued. Should be a little bit lower than where this dip is. Want to know why it's not? Because these people notice these trends, right? We had the gain right there. 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 We had the gain right there, or the sell-off right there. Trailing stop loss on all these guys. We had the gain right there. People are realizing that there's a trend with RLC, and when you guys see these trends happen over and over and over, people buy with you, but they don't know when to sell. They forget when to sell because they might not be very experienced with trading, or they wanted some more gains than what they saw. So they'll hold a little bit longer. I see the same thing happening with RLC. That's just my guess on what happens and why this isn't pumping farther down. But I do see you guys already took your profits on this. Not going to be looking at this one too much. In a bear market, what are you guys going to be able to cash out on this one at? Less than $1, right? So let's go on a little bit of a one-day indicator and find out. When should you guys cash in on some RLC? Yeah, you guys should be cashing out on the line. Well, maybe 20 cents. That would be a good level. 20 cents, I would say 80 cents maybe. Around 80 cents to 50 cents would be some good profits from there. Guys, look at this. Look at this run up that we saw. All right, is this natural? All right, you guys see this shit? I mean, like, something goes up 700% in 16 days. What happens, right? You guys could look at it from a month perspective. Like, something goes up like 1,000% in 2 months, like, probably gonna fall down. You guys see this? Everything looks the same. You know, everyone has those days, right? But look at, like, I don't know. I just noticed you guys been seeing this. We look in the past too. We look in the past. Everything has this huge volatile spike in crypto. Everything has this huge volatile spike in crypto, and that simmers down a little bit wherever it might be. The larger the run up, the harder the fall, right? Run up, boom. Run up, boom, right? You guys are going to have a boom downwards. Just another thing for you guys to take into consideration, right? Very, very important. I don't know. Hopefully I'm getting to some of you. Sheeb, rub it. You guys want me to rub Shiba? Never heard someone tell me to rub something on YouTube. That's pretty creative, man. Rub Shiba. All right, so let's see how Shiba's been performing. All right, so we have Vitalik dumped it, right? Let's see how good Shiba's doing. Is this Doge worthy potential? 85%, 86%. What is this? 86%. Let's go to the T. Okay, I'm sorry guys for going over meme coins, but this is why you guys see these this is why you guys see these dips. I can guarantee you that right now, right? If we had, all right, so people are like, when's the 100x coming out? BitBoy said that all these coins are going to 5x, 10x in a week, and then it's going to be the end of the bull market, guys. All right, that would have happened, but you want to know what happened? Crypto Banter promoting all of his IDOs. These meme coins happened, right? We had IDOs and meme coins take away from the fundamentally good coins. That's why this bull run was a little bit different, and that's why I believe it's ending. We already had billions and billions and billions of dollars go into meme coins and go into these IDOs, right? Donkey, buy Donkey. Crypto Banter, buy Donkey. Buy all my IDOs. Guys, let me show you guys something real quick, okay? Some of you guys are like, why are you making fun of Crypto Banter, guys? I'm just going to show you guys something. I might make a video about it. Might get absolutely sued to oblivion, but you know what? It will be a fun time. Will be fun. So this is a YouTuber, guys. This is a YouTuber that's part of crypto, right? I'm going to show you guys how scammy crypto is, right? So here we go. Onto on-chain capital, right? What's on-chain capital, guys? This has you guys invest into these IDOs, ICOs. If you guys do not know what they are, it's basically an auction for early access to coins, right? If you guys look at it, right? So what do they do, guys? What do they do, right? I believe it shows what they do. So diversified long portfolio, early investment in ICOs, right? You guys get these early investments in the ICOs through this company. It shows, I think it shows exactly what they do. I'm going to find it. All right, so yeah, here it is. Diversify long portfolio, early stage investment in ICOs, all right? Arbitrage opportunities, right? They show you, right? They show you. Look what happened in 2017, 2018. Total raised, and then look at this amount. Zero, right? Zero through the bear market, right? Zero through the bear market. It just pops off during the bull market, right? These ICOs just pop off during the bull market, right? Don't come into the bear market, right? This is when you see crypto Banter go hide in this hole, right? So look how this works, right? So the on-chain various support. So this is how it works, right? You have Crypto Trader, CNBC. This is Crypto Ran, right? You have him show it, and then multiple owned syndicate platforms, tech scars, top level influencers. They're shilling this to you guys. All these people online, they're shilling. Let me see what else. Let me show you about us. Guys, this guy owns it. It's a hedge fund, guys. Look at him. This is the guy you guys see on YouTube, right? It literally shows you that he shills ICOs and then dumps them on your face, right? You know we're at a peak, guys. You know we're at a peak when this shit happens, right? There's the guy himself, guys. Banter the bags. Go watch Crypto Banter for the bags, right? Just showing you guys that's another top signal, right? That's another top signal. Just showing you guys that. Not too good. Not too good, guys. Not too good. Watch out for the YouTube shillers, guys. They're literally showing you, like, if you guys looked online, you would say, hey, I'm going to dump on your face. I own a company where we just take our pants down, we have you guys buy into them, and then we take a dump on your face. Like, and this is just a normal thing in crypto? Like, are you serious? All right, so what else? How many times do you whack off to Rand? Multiple times a day, man. Multiple times a day. Through the banter bags, of course. You guys all get banter bags worth of knowledge, all right? So Bitcoin needs to clap so other coins can take off. It does. It does need a clap, indeed. It does need a clap, indeed. I'll make a video, guys. I'll make a video. Don't worry. All right. So what do we see right here? This is what's triggering me right here, right? This is what I see. Okay. So it does look like a falling wedge right here, and we see these wicks, right? This is just on the 1 minute, so don't be too scared. But we see 1, 2, 3 banter bags, right? 3 banter bags, right? Or three tops. All are lower, right? All are lower in correlation. Probably going to see a little drop down to this 31 area short term, in my opinion. Probably then a bounce off. We need to get out of this downtrend. We need to get out of this downtrend right now. Every time we've seen 3 lowers, we've had a little bounce back, bounce back down. "95% of you will lose money because you take all your advice on YouTube from unexperienced chills. Either that or multiple other reasons. This is dangerous waters, right? Dangerous waters crypto is. It's very easy during the bull market, then dangerous waters ahead. All right, what else? What else? I already went over VRA, mother trucker, right? All right, cake. Go in the cake. Let's see what cake was, guys. You guys like Pancake Swap? I know a lot of you guys use Pancake Swap. They're gonna lose. All these dexes are gonna lose a lot of money, guys. A lot of money during these bear markets. I'm just letting you guys know that right now. Let's not go further for cake, yeah, I guess. So what's cake down from all-time highs? Around 80%. I can't really do too much TA on something that I can only see right here, but I can guarantee you probably gonna go into a $5, $4 cake at some point. Anchor. Preparing you guys for the best. Set your stop losses, right? I mean, like I said, guys, when do you get rich? When do apes strike gold, right? If you guys are unexperienced in crypto, you guys are considered at ape level, right? Listen up, right? You guys buy when you're down here and you make 29,000%, right? 29,000 X what right? Yeah, you guys buy down here. You guys buy down here in the accumulation phase. We haven't reached it yet. It might be a little bit lower. I do expect accumulation phase to be a little bit higher than what we saw here because we have a different market. We have more market cap. Don't expect everyone to sell off everything, right? Of course, I'm not an idiot. I do see this probably going to a little bit lower area, right? A little bit lower area, maybe where we were, a little bit lower than where we were on February and March because we're going to have a lower Bitcoin. But I do see around this 14-cent level, right? Whoa, cakes, this is already at 18 cents. Okay, maybe a little bit higher. Put another one in there, 22. I do see that happening, guys, within the next few months, right? I hope we don't. I seriously hope we don't, guys. But at the same time, the trends are showing that we will. So I'm going to prepare for what the trends are showing me. But I hope we don't. I hope we go up. Hope we have a multi-bull cycle. I hope that we break all these trends that have happened over and over and over. And we don't have any data to build it up. We have crypto banter, shilling banter bags still. We have the same trends showing up over and over. We have a lot of things that are pointing in towards a bear market, except for your favorite YouTubers, except for your favorite hopium brain cells. But like I said, looking downwards, not trying to brainwash any of you guys into selling. I'm just brainwashing you guys into getting more educated. Right? Go read those books. Get off here. Get out of here. Buy more ADA or get out of here, guys. We only buy ADA. Well, guys, we're staking our ADA till 1 cent. What do you think a good price on algo? We're staking our ADA till 1 cent, boys. We're going to the moon. Right. You guys could just buy back in at lower levels. Like we've already showed, like it's a long-term game. You guys are like, like it's a long-term game. It's a short-term game and a long-term battle. What do I mean a short-term game? Okay, we're playing these games every single day. What are we buying short-term? What are we making money on short-term? But the long-term battle is what's the best battle? How am I going to weather out the storm? You guys could play either game or both of them. I like to play short-term, in my opinion, a lot more profitable because I do this a lot. But buying in that accumulation phase and holding, you'll be sitting very, very nice, guys. Look at algo. Wow. So I remember that. I remember that when it came out. Wow. Around 60%. Probably see around 31 to 14. This is all just guesses, man. Just go find this for support. Everyone for yourself. If you guys are asking questions about your coins, go look at your coins. What were the price in February, in January, maybe December? And it's probably a good idea to look to buy some down there, because they should be down there if we see Bitcoin in the 20s, and especially if we see Bitcoin in the teens. They'll be a little bit lower than that, right? So this isn't a good time to get into Bitcoin. It's a great time to get into crypto. It's a great time to get into crypto. An absolutely beautiful time to get into crypto. Want to know why? You guys either lost money, right? So you guys have learned a valuable lesson, or you guys are just getting in when there's going to be a dip, right? When there's going to be a dip, a perfect opportunity to buy, right? Perfect opportunity to buy. Can you share your portfolio wins and losses, Naveen? Why would I do that, guys? I'm not here to show you guys, to flex on you guys. I'm here to help you guys. I don't need to show my portfolio wins and losses. I need to show you guys how to make money on your goddamn own, okay? This isn't me doing everything for you. This is you doing stuff for you. All right? I will give you guys some buys. I will give you guys some sells, though. And my sells and buys have been very, very good. And there's people that just only do that on your channel, right? I don't want to do that. I don't want you guys to feel like you're attached to me. I want you guys to be able to fly like a bird on your own, right? I will help you guys along the way, but those of you guys that are going to study, those of you guys that are not going to ask, can you sell your sell and buys? You guys will be the most successful out of anyone here. The people that don't give a shit about that, you guys want to do this on your own. Let's go into TrueBit. Let's go look at TrueBit. All right, TrueBit's a Ethereum scalability. I haven't looked at this in quite a while, to be completely honest. What is it at? 33 cents. Not too bad. This will survive during a bear market. Want to know why? This has use case. This has a lot of use case. We're going to have a pullback, though. We're going to have a Bitcoin pump, right? It's going to happen, right? It's not going to be that big. Probably not going to be able to reach that high. I do see maybe a 37, maybe a 40K Bitcoin. 40K is a bear trap, guys, or a bull trap. 40K is a massive bull trap for Bitcoin. Watch out. We had this pump in 2014. We had this pump in 2014, or not 2017, after we had this dip. Bull trap, right? Bull trap. We're going to see a bull trap with that again. I'm telling you guys. Everyone's going to exit out when we're at 37, 40K Bitcoin. If that does happen, maybe I'm wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong. I'm just trying to give you guys my prediction. All right. Go look for yourself, right? Go look for yourself. Go look at 2014 or 2017. Go look at 2021. Go look at my video that I posted earlier. It's Bitcoin's bullish. Bitcoin's bullish, right? So you guys can click on and actually hear some facts, right? If I put Bitcoin's bearish, you guys don't want to read it. I was told to do that. Bitcoin's bullish. On the short term, it's bullish, okay? I know some of you guys are here and you guys are really listening, and I'm sorry that I'm only responding to the haters, but you guys that are really listening, good for you. You should, if you guys are really listening, you're off this video and you guys are learning right now. Get the hell out of here. No, I'm kidding. But Wu Trade's actually doing very, very well right now, considering all hell broke loose last few weeks. Down 80%. We've went over Ethereum. Ooh, let's go to KSM. I am bullish on KSM, but it's very, very hyped up right now. We're going to see $1 or $100 KSM within the matter of the next month. If we don't, I'm so happy then. I'm so happy if we don't see $100 KSM in the next month. I'll be so happy because you guys got to learn some information, but I was wrong, guys. I'll eat my own words. I promise you. I want to eat my own words when it comes to me saying this shit. I promise you guys I want to eat my own words. I hope everything pumps back up, but the chances are the data shows probably it's not going to happen, right? That's what the data shows, right? I follow data. We're emotionless on this channel. I know I'm all right, I'm sorry. Yeah, as I'm showing so much emotions and passion in my speaking. Wonder why so many people show KSM like me. I bought KSM at $1, guys. You guys want to know that? I bought KSM around $1. I did. And wasn't let me go on the 1 day chart. I think they have it on here. And this is just another thing where you guys buy stuff when it's low, right? You guys buy stuff when it's low. It doesn't show it on here, but KSM was worth $1 at one point. Bought some KSM around $1. Guys, okay. Wow. Things drop that much. Sweet. That gives me an opportunity to buy them at that low, right? I sold all my KSM around 400, 500, 600 level, right? Sold some at 250, sold some at 50, sold some at 100. There's no reason to hold on to stuff that you make a lot of money, but I'm just showing you guys the fact that you guys can make a lot of money from this bear market, right? It's bought KSM in a bear market, okay? But where do I see it going? It pumped up a lot. See maybe $100 KSM, $60 KSM being good buy opportunities. It's me. Imagine, guys, getting to 500x. Imagine having 10 grand or a grand in something that goes up 500x. You guys have 500 grand. You guys have 5 million, right? It's, guys, you can do it during the bear market, right? When everyone tells you, no, crypto's dead, no, crypto's not real, right? They're going to tell you guys the same things, right? Or they're going to tell you, pump, 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 pump. BitBoy, buy me another Scamborghini. Buy me another Scamborghini. BitBoy Crypto here, driving a scam cat. Like, these people out there, guys, right? They will tell you to buy, they'll tell you to buy, they'll tell you to buy, but they'll never tell you to wait for a bear market. They will never tell you to wait for a bear market. And we've had multiple bear markets in the past, right? You guys just got to understand, take a different perspective. Go look at the graphs. Don't think that this year is anything out of the ordinary. It is out of the ordinary, but these trends will not break, okay? We don't have this market being held up by some whales. They're like, we're not going to sell, guys, even though we're in 400, 500% profit, right? No, that's not how it works. BNB, okay. All right, so BNB, CZ is a total scammer, but we'll go over BNB. It's still monopoly, guys, at the end of the day. Still monopoly, BNB is. So, yeah, we know their CEO's a goddamn scammer, but nothing you guys can do about it. Why would you guys complain about a glass of milk if you guys didn't even have a glass of milk, you know? That's kind of how you have to look at BNB. Like, they're a monopoly. They're not going anywhere, guys. They basically just minted themselves in China as the exchange. China can't trade from any other exchanges except BNB. Imagine that. Pretty cool. Not cool, but interesting. Sorry, interesting how they just made BNB centralized. You have to use BNB. So BNB went up quite a lot in the past year or so. But guys, probably could drop back down to this. I would say this January, February level is possible. Which, look at this. This is 500% down. We'll see. BNB is very pumped, but they do have revenue. But want to know what? When this bear market happens, you want to know what's going to be happening? Not too many people are going to be trading, right? The volume is going to go down a lot. The trading activity, the amount of money that these exchanges are making are going to go down a lot. The amount of money that these YouTubers are going to be making or these shillers are going to be making is going to go down a lot. So everything goes down in a bear market. No, not as many people are making money, right? So that's what happens. And BNB is probably going to drop a lot because they rely on their income. Maybe they won't, but just saying, guys, I do see them being very negatively affected during a bear market. 1 inch. You lost over $1 million. I mean, dude, that's not bad compared to some other people, right? At least you are going to understand and better yourself, so you'll make over 10 million in the next one, right? You can make over $10 million, man, if you really put your mind to it. If you have $1 million, that wouldn't be a hard goal to reach. Would not be a hard goal to reach. So 77% down on 1 inch on Coinbase. A lot of hodlers on Coinbase, right? They're supporting this thing, right? What do we see also? This one, what is this up? 3,800%. That's pretty good for the past year. That's pretty good. But yeah, I'd probably look for some levels around maybe under $1 on 1 inch. You would have thought 1 inch under $1. When was this? At the beginning of May, you told people everything's going to be under $1 or 1 inch is going to be under $1. They wouldn't have believed you. But yeah, we could see under $1 in the next 2 to 3 months. I would look for under $1. Maybe I'll talk about it later. 50 cents. But they will survive during a bear market. They will 100%. We're going over things that will survive during a bear market. BNB, KSM, 1 inch. That's what we've gone over. Matic, Hot, Holo. A lot of things. Just wait though. I'm just look at stuff that will survive during a bear market. Let's keep going. What else will? Solana will. Ethereum, Bitcoin, obviously. ADA will survive, but it'll drop significantly like all these other coins. Buy these things on discounts. Why not be ready? Why not be prepared? Right? So you guys are just going into this saying it's not going to stop dipping. It's not going to stop dipping. It's going to go up. You guys are going to be very happy. Then it's going to go down. Then you guys are not going to sell again, right? This is what happened last time. I had a lot of people, 2017, had this happen to them, right? Happens, okay? Zil will survive. Link will survive. Cardi Chain might. We'll have to see Eagle. It's too early to tell what's going to survive, but I definitely like a lot of these that are on this list right here. Too early to tell what's going to survive. Too tell you. Rune. I like Rune a lot, guys. Too early to tell. But one. Okay, we'll do one again. I've done one already, but Uniswap will survive. Just need to get those fees down, and then they'll really thrive. So we're looking to buy some one around these two levels. Look at these gains from people who bought one in January, right? So what did they get? Around the 31x in how many days? In around 90 days. That's not bad, right? That's not bad. things did better, right? Around 180 days, right? We had KSM pull off around a 500x, right? So there's better gains to be out there, but guys, Harmony 30x isn't bad. That's why you diversify. You know, not everything's in a 500x in a bear market, but you know what? You guys can find some if you guys are really focusing on fundamentals and stuff will 20x, 30x in a bear market, right? We're not holding on Bitcoin in a bear market. We're not there to make 100, 200% off Bitcoin or 500%, okay? Just letting you guys know that right damn now. We're not looking at Bitcoin. We're just looking at Bitcoin for trends, not to buy. We're not George, okay? You guys can hold all the damn Bitcoin you want to for me. That'll help me out. But okay. So around 90 days after this, around 31x, I'm looking to buy some around these two levels, right? That'll be a nice 30, 20x. I do like Harmony. If it does dip down there, those are going to be easy buy levels. I don't care if it goes lower than that. Maybe even might acquire some more. But yes, these two, 0.01669, good buying levels. 0.00520, great buy levels. Right? You want me to go over T-Fuel? We'll go over T-Fuel for you, man. I am a big fan of T-Fuel. Actually, I am. I do like their use case. I really do like their use case. But look at this, guys. I bought some T-Fuel early on. I sold the shit out of it. Don't actually own any yet. Might buy some from down here, guys. But look at this, guys. Up around 60x in just the past 200 days, around 60x, right? A little bit over that from the top, around 60x. When something goes up that high, that fast, has to have use case, but most importantly, has to have hype. Has to have BitBoy shilling it to everyone or whoever was shilling this coin. Nothing goes up 60x without the shill power, right? That's what we see in the bull market. The shill power comes to life. And I do see this dropping back down to some great buying levels. Maybe we'll see 0.05. Maybe we'll see 0.029. These things will dip during a bear market, right? It's just about you guys following these trends, making these trades during the dip down, right? During the dip down, and really focusing on buying at the bottom. I'm not sure where the bottom is going to be just yet, but I do see these as some great buy levels if we do drop down that much lower, around 0.5, 0.29. Kind of too early to say when this bottom is going to fully hit, but I'll tell you right now, we are going to be going lower with these alts than we are right now. It's good to see these alts picking back up, though. That's nice to see. What do we see on the daily candle real quick? Let's see. We're having a little bit of a pickup right here. Go check out. What is this? 44% from that candle. Already had around 10% increase today. Let's go into Bitcoin real quick. See what Bitcoin's trending towards for you guys. We're in the stagnicity type of area. Yeah, we're probably going to bounce down and maybe bounce out. If not, we break down through there, probably going to hit this 30 level and then bounce off. A lot of people are going to have buy orders on 30K. I do see a bounce off of 30K, by the way, guys. Let's go back into the graphs. Let me show you guys something a little important on the graphs right here. Look how fast we recovered off this 30K level. We shot up like no tomorrow, guys. We shot up. This 30K has a lot of buying power, a lot of buying activity on this 30K level. So just keep that into consideration. That 30K could be a little nice long trade or a nice buy trade. But set your stop losses. Make sure to take your profits early because we probably will go lower than that. Just saying, that's what the analytics are showing, right? That's what the past has shown. So we follow the past. People that follow the past that don't repeat the same mistakes that were made beforehand normally do fairly well, but you know, sometimes you need to make some mistakes to really learn. I get it, but just follow the past. Maybe you make a mistake by not buying and it goes up a lot, but I mean, at least you follow the past, right? Follow the analytics, but just saying. Polkadot. All right, let's go to Polkadot. I mean, how much people are going to really be buying into the market, right? I think it's going to take a little bit. I think a lot of these people are afraid. Maybe they need to have one more BitBoy shill video before they send their whole entire portfolio into it. Guys, not too long ago, these people were telling you to put your entire life savings into crypto. Like, this is going to be devastating to people. This is going to be devastating to people, guys. Any of you guys that put your life savings into here and you're watching me and you guys have some sort of idea how, like, astronomical this is, like, this is huge. Like, people are like, you guys understand the pain. There's some people that didn't even have any sort of advice. They were just, guys, ADA is going to $20, blah, blah, blah. Like, this is happening now. Like, come on. Like, it's sad, guys. This is why you saw people take their own lives. Same shit happened back last cycle. People really did take their lives, guys. It's very sad. I hope you guys really go outside if you guys are down a lot. Really speak to someone. Go find another hobby if you guys are down, if it's really bugging you. Promise you guys will make it back with hard work and motivation. You will. Right? You will. Maybe $10 to $7. I would look at acquiring some Polkadot. Polkadot is just getting overhyped right now. It's overhyped. Yes, they do have a lot of things coming out in the future, but guys, a lot of these shield companies are through Polkadot. The devs in Polkadot make a lot of money, a lot of money. They have a lot of tokens coming out in December, guys. A lot of these companies are locking up their tokens, saying they will release them in December. Their devs will get to sell some in December. So December is going to be a little bit of a dippy month. I can tell you that for these alts. George is losing his life savings for the 4th time, John. No, that's nothing to laugh about, but that's just a little funny. Guys, you guys gotta understand. Some people have lost their life savings 12 times, more than that, right? Someone has it worse than you. You just maybe lost your life savings this time or another time, but at least you know that if you learn, if you really put your mind to it, you can get you can get away with not losing your life savings after this in crypto ever again. All right, let's go through. We'll go through Filecoin, I guess. Not going through VeChain yet again. File ETH. See what Filecoin did from all-time highs, guys. We'll go check what this did. Probably going to be ending the stream shortly, guys. I'll do a stream tonight just to keep you guys updated, but it will be later tonight when I do that. So down 76% from where it is right now, right? Down 76%. What did we see in February and January? We saw a lot lower Filecoin. How much is it up? Devs own around 70% of this token's value, guys. Just saying. Around, what, 1,000% in 60 days, like a lot of these other coins. Devs own 60%. Boom, they'll sell off, they'll sell off, they'll sell off. But yeah, devs own 60%. Devs own 60%. Devs own 60%. I think it might be more than 60%, but I know they own at least 60%. They've probably dumped some off by now, so maybe they own less. But yeah, devs own 60%. So that's all I have to say about Filecoin. Maybe it'll drop down here. Maybe it'll drop down lower. Went over Litecoin a few times. Let's go over Litecoin again. I'll do this one, and then I've kind of went over the entire market. I'll go into Discord, talk to some of you guys after this stream. And then I'll probably do some more research on my own, talk to some other people in other Discords as well. I'm just curious what some of you guys thought about how toxic I was in the stream, so I'm just going to ask a few questions. But yeah, so $58 to $44 would be some good buying opportunities during the bear market on Litecoin, right? Hopefully we don't go down that low. Hopefully we don't. If we hit this 121 level, might be a good buy too. I'll let you guys know. Don't know enough about the charts to really tell, but all I know is the long-term trend, we see a lot of downwards momentum, right? I did say Bitcoin was bullish earlier today. That's because we're showing a little bullish formation with the EMA level. Go watch that video if you guys are like, wait, what? And follow what I'm saying. Long-term looking bearish, okay? Long-term looking bearish. This is how these play out. But all right, so this is going to be the end of the stream. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are going to somehow get some motivation from this video. I really want you guys to be motivated. But have a great rest of your day. I will be streaming later tonight, so make sure to come back later tonight, probably the next 4 or 5 hours, probably 6 or 7 hours from now, 10 o'clock EST. I will be streaming 10:30 EST, actually. A little bit busy tonight, but I will stream tonight. Make sure to stay tuned to that. All right, have a great day, guys. Do some research on your own, and that's going to be it, okay?